Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, that's how.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf up with them bad mind, you can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Yo, 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 yo. Big up, Oofy, big up, large up, Oofy, large up. Once enough respect to the people that over YouTube. YouTube people, we are do some little some. We are do some little. We expand the thing again, you know, so. Oh, let me just check this thing out. Where is this thing? Yeah, man. So, the YouTube people not hear me. YouTube people over YouTube will not hear me. I'm afraid to click the notification. Hold on, 1 second. Alright, the YouTube people, them say they might hear me and think. TikTok people not hear me good, good, good. TikTok people not hear me good. Alright, the TikTok people, them say, yeah, they might hear me. Oh, this thing I mess up, you know. Alright, so YouTube people, don't call the WhatsApp number one to say right there. So now, in fact, no on the self, man. We're there, man. All right. So just go on easy. 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 We is our there. All right. So what I need. Okay. All right. Big up on. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Now, man. TikTok people don't get confused. Don't get confused here. It's just that I'm simulcasting, you know? Okay? I am simulcasting. I am simulcasting. So I just set up a little thing here to make sure. Don't worry, people. I'm there. In the meantime, I'm going to go and big up on myself, you know. I'm way sitting there now. Where the code I come in, you know. Where is our Discord? All right, so YouTube people, don't call a WhatsApp number there yet, here. Don't call a WhatsApp number yet, because it's not set yet. All right, YouTube people, do me a favor. Somebody call one of them numbers upon the screen over YouTube. Make me see, because we're going to take back phone call. Watch Christina yell up Mr. G. So somebody over YouTube call one of them numbers that want to see on the screen. Make us see what I go on. 19707 number then. Sonia Nelson, watch ya then find back them man. Boy, Sonia, too, you get back your virginity and thing, you're gonna dash it back for Mr. G, though. Dr. McGuire, I'm a cup. What's in my cup? What's in my cup? In my cup, in my cup. Be a lizard do it. Be a lizard do it. Okay, don't play with me. Do remember, say we have out order tomorrow, but you have to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber. Juliet Legore said, it's been a long time. Do you guys remember me? Miss you guys. Me no remember you kaya ANC. So me no remember you. Me do want remember you, Juliet Legore. But don't want remember you, even though you're my friend. Can somebody call one of those 707 numbers for me, please? Milo, big up yourself, you know. Even though you're anti artist, somebody I call one. All right, hold on. Let me answer one of them. Okay. Hello? 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 The person calling and listening ready. I listen to hello. All right, that's a CBS I call. Let me answer CBS. Hello?
Yes. Now the call answer. What do you mean?
What's up, CBS?
Yes.
Weird. Are you like on your bed or are you just like, are you in the portal? Because with you never know. You could be in the portal.
I never used the portal yet. I didn't get there yet.
You're not in our portal.
No, it's too early. It's too early.
Somebody call Java and Naki and tell them say YouTube up. Somebody call Java and Naki, tell them say YouTube up.
All right. I'll let John
Hold on. TikTok people, on not hear when CBS attack from the phone. Because we want everybody to hear. But we just stay away at CBS. See that them say.
Okay.
All right, CBS, you have to sing them one little song. They say they want one little song.
Sing? I do not sing.
No, just sing one little song. No, just sing one song. Just sing a verse of a song or something. Come on, man.
Is it anybody's birthday?
It's always somebody's birthday. Wait, now today is Bob Marley's birthday. Today or tomorrow?
No.
Today or tomorrow Bob Marley's birthday. Well, sing a birthday song to Bob. Tomorrow, them say tomorrow. Sing a birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I see, they are big up the legend and thing. Bob, see, well, Bob talk to me, because Bob talk to me in I speak. Yeah.
What did he say?
No, well, him same one. You remember Ghost with Whoopi Goldberg and Patrick Swayze? I think.
Yes. Oh, wait a minute.
No,
really, Robert?
No, well, so Baba go talk to me now. Him say, I ask him for talk to you through. He might talk to you through me. So what? Well, I just want to say to the sister who just sing a song for I and I, Rastafari. She sound like a Ethiopian princess, you see? And if I did still alive, I would have forget with this sister. But I hear say that sister fry time, so I don't know. I would have to go stay with Cindy, you know, because Cindy no fry time.
Bob, no listen to Raga. I never said fry. Do not listen to Raga.
Sister, respect for the song, you know, but your fry time. And Rasta not deal with woman on fry time. Fire.
Whatever.
Fire for your time, fryer. Fire for your time, fryer. All right, but respect for the song still, you know. All right, Raga, take back your body. That wasn't me. That was all Bob. That was all Bob. Bob talk and say what him for say and all these things, right? What's up,
oh my God.
Boy, you're good?
Yeah, I'm trying to be good.
All kind of stress come for me yesterday, man. I'm just when your body the same thing when I talk about, you know, you ever just sit down and you just pass so drop asleep and you don't know, say you drop asleep and
Yeah, you never know how tired you are until you sit down.
Yeah.
Once you sit down, that's when you realize how tired you are.
But you remember, just like the night before we talked, man, I said, listen to your body and don't whatever and thing. But you see, what happened, you know, this week I've had to wake up early with, you know, private business and thing. But I have to wake up early every day, you know, for carry the kids them go them school
and stuff.
And thing, you know. And but then me work right through the night. So
because you're a night owl.
Yeah, because when the show done, I have to wait for TikTok do a thing and then me download. Well, now that me I use back the YouTube thing, you know, it'll go be quicker. But when me I say me have to wait till TikTok do a thing and then the show download.
Right.
Then you have to download it. Then you have to upload it in a Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. You have to edit it. That take all long and whatever. After you edit it, you have to export it.
Right.
After you export it, then you have to upload it into YouTube. And that take a while. Then YouTube have to process it. YouTube do a thing to make sure say it's okay. There's a thing when it do for that. Then it have to scan the whole show. And you know, my show them a 3-4 hour to make sure it's not copyright
5 hours.
Yeah. And then after that, you know, it go on, then you have to, you know. So when we do that at night time, all 6 o'clock me done in the morning.
Well, you know, on behalf of TamFam, you know, we just want you to know that your work and what you do for us is truly appreciated.
Oh.
So, guys,
give thanks.
You just have to give thanks and thanks.
But see, you know, see the usual YouTube regulars, them did it. Juanita did it, but she not eat mango.
I know I'm saying Juanita, Johnny be good.
Johnny
I'm like,
be good there. See Johnny be good over there. G stop over there.
G, we miss you guys over on TikTok.
G stop with him pop down Canada sort out too. Canada him the same sort of pop down too. Juliet Legore with her stay about ANC self.
Hey. She's still at ANC. Don't even.
All right, that's our word, man. Big up yourself. Raga loves you, CBS.
All right, love you too, brother.
All right, then blessing, thanks.
Later.
Okay. So, we are testing, you know, little by little, we are unfold the things, and we just want to say, big up the people them over YouTube and thing, and we should keep this going. And do remember to say, big yard in the mix, we have fixed the chat though. All right, I think I just move the chat and then send the stream from YouTube. Go. I'm not telling you, because people be kicking back, man, and just like a bite your shit. Yo, Chumpy in the building, you know. Chumpy in the building, and I just want to say, you have some people, some experiences, and very private about it, you know. You understand? Some people, them very private about it. Yes, but yes, it's true, me used to Chump, you know. Me telling all the while, anytime you see me, if I cross certain line or joke with certain people, I know say them people understand me thing and whatever. But remember, Chumpy tell me what he say. Remember what Chumpy tell me, say I'm going for a procedure and thing and whatever. And we check in with the general, and the general, you know, said, you know, he make me know, say, him okay. And thing, and we see him in a chat, you know, and thing, but Chumpy, you go like, you know what, come tell me how Chumpy, come tell me how your colonoscopy go, right? Yeah, you tell me how that thing, but you know what, come tell me about your colonoscopy, Chumpy, come up in the chat, front of the class, Chumpy, don't bother go around the thing. People, who want your Chumpy colonoscopy go? Who want to hear how Trump said no? All right, man, I leave him alone. Trump, man, no want to talk about them something, you know. You see, when it comes to prostate test and colonoscopy, man, no want to talk about them something there. And think, Johnny be good, big up yourself. And think, see there, yeah, you see, you hear what film name, you hear what film name is. And you hear him over there said to Tambourine, long time, and him name Johnny be good. And him over there tell Tambourine about long, you know, long. All right, you have people, we're going to go back to Jacket Mixup. And, all right, somehow not going to vex, you know, but, all right, TikTok people, I don't want to vex, right? So I'm going to play something about listen to it. But the YouTube people, them are going to see something. Don't worry. In the future, big yard are going to have it, all right? So just work with me today, because I know say. So YouTube people, them are lead today, all right? YouTube people, them will be like, yay! About time, right? But, Jacket Mixup, people, listen to this. Cecile did I do an interview one time. People, listen what Dancehall entertainer Cecile said. Listen to this, you know. Again, don't vex, but yo, when you take that person, Jesus God, somebody about mercy chat with some big good something there. Fling them a bush, Christina, moderator, fling them. I want to them people here, man. Them come on, something that be a big good. And not that the wood don't ever stand up the wood down. And what? These people. What's wrong with them? Right? All them for do. Oh, wait there. I'll something for do. All them for do that. Okay, spiritually best over YouTube and Tony Green. Hey, you see people like Tony Green, man, and them big Juanita, Tony Green, you know, Tambourine, Mirated, Carla. What's up, Carla? Carla in the building. All right. Yo, but no, I want to take a time for big up all I know who's a Reggae, you know. People, you know, we don't even know what going on the back end here, you know, but we turn up and we smile and we do what we have to do, don't Baga sitting, you know. But anyway, Alistair said him there on TikTok and YouTube, double up on thing. Dear list. Jacket bigs up, but listen wait. All right, so TikTok people are not going to be able to hear this. So now what I want to say, just bring it up and things. So Cecile did I do an interview saying, and let me bring it up one thing. I wish you did. People, listen this, you know. I just want to look a piece at the interview. Listen this.
It's one of the worst things to me. And I remember a friend of mine calling me. She was crying. And she said, I said, what happened to you? She was like, oh, I just went up, coming from the embassy because my dad filed for me. And she said, out of the 4 kids, only one of us are for my dad. It's my brother. And she was bawling down the whole place. And she said, her mother was still saying she never cheated. She said, I must a dopey breed her. That's evil. None of the kids were his, except.
You never see me look on 2 different cameras here. This is the YouTube camera. This is the TikTok camera. People, when you hear what that woman they say a while ago, ladies, you know, when you know it's a Reggae love, you know. Every social media me go on, you know, when them show you the people them who listen me and watch me, you know, it's always 78% ladies, you know. And mostly woman listen me. And the woman them say Reggae, right? Right? And big up all of the real G them where they see me and thing. So ladies, me have to defend, you know. But sometimes, man, me have to rub it out to man. Sometimes me have to rub it out to and just talk truth. Right? Sometimes we have to just, you know, make you know what I go and talk truth and say what we say and all these things, don't. When you hear what that wicked woman say, suppose me tell you say that is not unusual. Me can't tell you how many times, you know, woman them not hold themselves accountable, you know. Hey, woman love to talk about man wicked and man lion, whatever. Ladies, when una tell lion, no, hey, when una tell lion, the way uno double down pound a lion, uno ball pound a lion, what? Una hear what the woman say a while ago? Una hear what the woman say a while ago? By the way, outer order tomorrow, but a be a problem that the first outer order, the over outer order that come a problem that tomorrow, you know, because it's only subscribers can go listen to that. But anyway, that's another story. We soon get to that. But listen to me. Let me play it back and think. When you hear what the woman say, that woman is a wicked and evil woman, and just for things say, though them woman they out there in the world.
It's one of the worst things to me. And I remember a friend of mine calling me, she was crying. And she said, I said, what happened to you? She was like, oh, I just went up, coming from the embassy because my dad filed for me. And she said, out of the 4 kids, only one of us are for my dad, is my brother. And she was bawling down the whole place. And she said, her mother was still saying she never cheated. She said, I must a dopey breed her. That's evil. None of the kids were his, except.
The woman, nah, she not come around and tell the truth. She not come around and tell the truth. Nifty friends, big up yourself. I either TikTok or YouTube. Me there everywhere. Well, not everywhere. Tomorrow we see. Well, Monday we see. Terry Strawberry, wagwan, you beard? Terry, them hot outfit the way you're wearing, Terry, me see you know, some shell down outfit, Terry. Make sure say when you wear them hot outfit, they your beard good before you put them on in the car. Them outfit the way you wear. You're that wicked, you put on any of them there, beard, Right? See you, low, wagwan. Right, Terry Strawberry, I said that to you. You're that wicked, you put on any of them outfit there, beard, Terry. I'm just saying, okay? All right? Okay. So anyway, people, we depend on something right now. We depend on jacket mix-up or any other mix-up one. And you can come up in the box on TikTok or you can make a call. Don't call the WhatsApp number yet, because I just realized it's not set on a new thing yet, I'm in on the tank, I'm going to start there. Seemed like the friend mother wasn't wearing any I come over here and say to you, I have got juggle between the two screens when I monitor this thing. Hold on. Okay. Bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. All right, we're good to go. See it? All right, so we're upon jacket mix-up, and we have a question from Curvy Queens, large up. We have a question for no too, right? Some of us want to tell the truth. We want to think about an issue. I soon mention it to you. Yeah. Jump here.
Me not stay long enough to cough. So, yeah, this thing is annoying, man.
Trumpy, when you say you're not staying long because you have a cough and you don't want to cough, right?
Oh, man, I hate
cough.
it.
Gangster don't cough around here.
This thing keep me out from Sunday in the work. Let me stay,
John, no, from Sunday.
Yeah. So
what did you do? You did a colonoscopy, right?
Oh, yeah, I do that for last week,
From last week? Oh, okay.
So, they found one polyp, so I just have to wait until next week.
One what?
A polyp.
Yeah, you did say that. What is that? When I say trees must tell you and thing and explain it. Yeah, trees must tell you about it. But you remember, no?
No.
I say from one man to the next man, I know what I'm going right just so
What?
I know exactly what I'm going right just so
Yeah, go ahead.
You know, say trees, they're the competent and in charge. So you just don't even worry about it. You just don't. Not that tag one. Take it. Not that tag one.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
Somebody had to be there.
Yeah, you deal with it. You deal with that. You just tell me what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it, all right? Yeah. And you know, saying a good hands, that's like Allstate insurance. You're in good hands with Allstate. Yeah, so you just left it to her, make she deal with it. Don't.
Yeah. I remember nothing. wake up and I mean, the last thing I remember, the doctor was like, see you in a few.
Oh, wait, you went anesthesia and the whole works, don't?
Oh, yeah. And, you know,
and them do that something that was say somebody have to do that if you carry one because you can't drive and on them something. Them do that, don't?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you still feel woozy from after. You know, it's not a major, I mean, I did major surgery before where, you know, for hours. So
right.
It's minor.
Okay.
You know, get it over with.
Yes, I mean just want to say commendations and respect to the eye because you know a lot of Jamaican men. It boy rough for them go to colonoscopy and prostate tests and whatever.
Oh well, like you say, a prostate. I
yeah.
did one a few years ago, and may I tell you, say, I was traumatized. I'll tell you why I'm traumatized, Raga.
Yeah, why? Why? I can't imagine why. So share. Yeah.
I do it in Atlanta.
Yeah.
And it's Emory downtown. I remember. I'm going in, the doctor. Never feel comfortable. A white doctor, of course. But what he said had me feeling like somebody molest me. Because I was very nervous about
when he says something like, oh, what? I should have you're kind of hard. You're kind of hard down here.
He said, no.
Sorry, I'm being mischievous.
No, it was even worse than that. If I just bend over and take it like a man. You mash up the meds. That's what I say. When me in the car, a person come pick me up to carry me home, me sit down and clutch and hug up and just wrap up in a little in a seat, you know. Come me feel like somebody molest me.
And then would I feel say I what happen about that, but then I what happen now when him say don't.
I when him say
what him say. Am I wicked? Him go away. No, and then I go there and the doctor said that to me. I know you're not chump, I don't know if would have give him a wicked look first before me do it. You know, even if me do it. And then I'm gonna say that thing or whatever, would I be like
well, you know, laugh after.
Yo, I be a so that coming and I'm about, yo, where that for? Where that for?
Well, it traumatized me for years. I'm like, every time I think about doing it, I'm like, what he said just affect me.
Every time you think about doing it?
No. I mean, you know, you have a certain... No.
Leave it to me.
Before I walk into that one.
You run up in that one. Anytime you think I'm doing it, you remember the man said the mash you.
Walk right into that one.
You run up in that one. Wicked. Chumpy, even though Chumpy, sometimes some people talk to me, them start talk slow. I'm say, why I talk slow for? Like, with you, Raga, me have to talk slow because I don't want to get myself in. I never watch you and say, you know. So it's a Chumpy, every time you go do it. No, I say my head to 2 minutes. No, but that is not something you say to somebody who have a prostate test. Him wrong this.
Exactly.
Him go lose this. Nah, lie. Him go lose this.
Shouldn't
say that to you. You shouldn't say that to you.
You must be
shouldn't say that to you. So what you say? Wait, you're not dry because of that, or you under the weather differently?
Oh no, under the weather, man. Because it was last week and there's no, you know.
Yeah. So a flu will mash you up right
now. Yeah, man.
Man.
It's bad weather, man. Mash me up from Sunday, man.
See,
so that's
we're going to chumpy. We're not 15 and 16 and 18
no,
again.
And then guess I know. Me realize my father called me and said, listen, April, you know, legally I'm going to be a senior citizen, you know.
April? Well, your birthday?
April 7th.
Yeah, go You gonna be what?
55, sir.
55? You're young boy, man.
But I'm a senior citizen.
I saw it go.
Yes, America
When
say I'm a senior citizen.
when me pass 55, so me a senior citizen.
Yeah?
And look, yeah.
Me not ready.
Wait, you never know say me pass 55.
Me know that.
Oh, you know that. Okay,
Yeah,
me
man.
pass 55.
Me and you hold a conversation.
Yes. So we're senior citizens now. Well, April. Yeah. Well, on. Don't tell your birthday yet, but April at the TamFam get together. But by we reach the TamFam get together, your birthday gone already, don't?
Yes.
Well, the people at the TamFam get together. We're going to celebrate Trumpy birthday. We don't know if you're forward because you don't know yet. We don't know yet if you're forward.
No, I try.
Yeah, try. But if you're forward, we're going to celebrate your birthday. And even if you can't reach down there, we're going to just give a toast to the boss, Trumpy down there. People at the pajama party the Saturday night at the TamFam get together in Orlando. Somebody remind me we have to give a toast to Trumpy and birthday month. So boom, badang, bang, bing, 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 bing.
See.
Yeah. Proper
So
thing.
when I get over this call, I'll give you my jacket mix up.
All right then. Cool. But I have
And
something
now
to
I'm
ask you before.
sweet, you know.
I want to hear that jacket mix up there. But well, can we just do the carry it in next week? I see the week I done and I bring
Yes.
But I have a question for you though, because we're up on jacket mix up, but we have another a little thing come up and whatever. Trumpy. You know, so as we get older, certain things now, you know, bother we used to bother we before, no? Right?
Yeah.
So when I say, if a man and him woman there, right? And she born him. And him fine out. And when he go to her and and talk to her about it, she says she nah do it again and whatever this and that. And 3 years later she born him again. And him say my Lego that time, him a Lego. And after a long discussion with her and whatever, him decides say my give her another chance and thing. Talk truth now, you know.
Yeah.
What you think? What you think about that man?
Weak to something.
You think that there is something fatally wrong with a man stay with a woman after 2 born, and him say no, for whatever reason. Him say, all right, me I go stay and thing and whatever. You think say anything wrong with that? Automatically, like say, a idiot that or whatever. You think anything goes, or you can you think it's possible that there's some, depending on whether I go through that in me say, yo, me I stay and try again. What you think?
I think sometimes we do things because we are in love. We don't see the bigger picture. So it may
that's
overlook
the
it
reason.
on something.
Yeah.
He may overlook it. He may want to give her a chance. He may not want to believe it. Even though it happened, you know.
Mama Debs, him not boner. The man we are talking about, him not boner. But anyway, go on. Yeah.
Society, I go have us looking at him like he's a fool. I saw it all going on.
Yeah, but me said to somebody, say, why? Me not go judge a man, me don't know why him decide to stay,
Exactly.
I don't know why him decide to stay. But me not go automatically say, my idiot man, I'm a fool man. Right? Because the person who challenged me about it, them did I say, me hear you on the radio and the upper talk about man fi can take a bone and hold it and thing. Yeah, me stand by that. Right? Me stand by that. So them a say, yo, what you think with the brother and whatever, boom, and the bunny man thing and whatever. Right. So I say, me don't know, probably there's a good reason. Me not gonna say the man a idiot. Why me gonna say the man a idiot automatically? And me don't know why, me don't know. But what he must say is there can be no good reason for him staying and that after she burn him and thing and whatever, boom, and come back and burn him. So I tell him, I don't agree with that.
There are reasons, and everybody have them reasons. You know? And to be frank, I was in a situation like that. And I stayed. It was painful, but I stayed. Me never get up and leave immediately. Me stay years because I'm the type of person I would stay and take certain things until me reach my limit. People are gonna say, yeah, leave. But me march to my own drum beat. So when me have enough, then me I'll leave. You know what I mean? So I was there, so me would not say, you know, I was there because I felt like I was in love. There were, you know, dependents that were there. So I was there for that reason. You know what I mean?
Okay. You know what is funny? Me are looking at the chat and everything with the woman them a come up with. Them not say nothing about the woman, you know, right? About why man stay, you know. Let me tell you, let me show you them woman. You think that easy? Me I tell you the thing them when them say somebody say probably him a born her too. All right, then cool. That I want something negative. You hear that one I know. The same person who said probably him a born her too. You hear what she say? Probably him need the help.
The woman is not at fault.
Well, I know. But in fairness to them, the question is, why is he staying? So them
Look past CBS. Look past CBS.
What CBS say?
Little body.
You see? You see what? You see the point I'm making.
Yeah. I demand them a burn out.
Some negative. Them not look for any problem. Say, you know, probably he's a higher order thinking man who's not motivated by sex and then you know, and you know, and like them not come up with nothing like that, you know. Basically, them as probably him have some really profound dysfunctionality. I think because he's pathetic, right? Yo, why? Yes,
sometimes them not understand. You know, have nothing to do with sex. It may not have nothing to do with finances. The person could. You have men who truly love these people, you know, and nothing I gonna make this man leave until he's ready. Even if him come in and walk in and see the akka go on. If him not ready for leave, he not leave.
No, but not only that, you know, when I think with the people, them not understand. And I find that in our age group, sometimes you know some argument and you try say certain thing to some people, I better you just leave it because them not gonna get it because you realize the reason why you get it and what you there in your life, right?
True.
So them in a zone and you know, and you know them not gonna say just let it go. Because one other thing me notice, you know, with people in my age group, you know, and I can tell you a whole bunch of people here, I go agree with that. You see that something about protect your peace and like, me not make nothing about me type of thing, and you knock yourself out. Go do any damn thing you want to do and whatever, you know. Hey, a whole heap of people in that zone there, you know.
That's true. I need to learn how to get to that zone. Slowly I'm getting there, but me not get it yet.
But me understand that it's a freeing zone, Trumpet. Make anybody who did it tell you. It's a liberating zone to be in.
Yeah.
You're free, you're lighter, and you know, you're not overwhelmed and stressed by certain things what would have stressed you before.
True.
It's just like you just know you can't control people. You can communicate your expectations, but you know damn well it's their choice if they're going to adhere to your expectation based on its existence in the context of a relationship. But if they choose not to,
that's true.
Knock yourself out. You know, the only thing people have now is that them may not do certain things. If you are do that, them not do certain. And if them are do it, for them thing is like, don't bring no disease for me and thing and whatever and boom, boom, boom. You know, type of thing. But outside of that, you have a whole heap of people in other space, you know. And I find that you have men increasingly like, okay, I don't own you. You know, do your thing. You know.
Yeah.
So what if he's in that zone? You know, he could be in that zone.
Yeah, he could be in that zone. But, you know, like you said it, you see what the women are saying. Them are blame him.
Yeah, something wrong with him. Something
This
wrong
is
with him.
somebody saying have erectile dysfunction.
Erectile dysfunction,
Like,
liquor
jeez.
body,
Yeah.
in broke and need
Excuses.
help, and probably a boner too. No, we have to find something negative about him. Why is this thing? It can't be no good one.
No. Yeah.
Right?
A man,
It have
so
to
it
be
must
something
be
negative.
negative.
A man, so it have to
Yeah.
be something negative. You know? It's
Then
not
bash
within
us
our
for no
capacity.
reason.
Yeah, it's not within our capacity to come up with something admirable or something noble or something really remarkable and good about this man.
No.
Why he stayed there. It have to be something negative because he's my man.
Yeah, that's it. And we see in it with social media, you see a lot of the women them go on TikTokers, IG or Facebook just to bash men.
I be a man beating thing I go and
Oh yes.
woman out there.
You see it.
Yeah,
especially Jamaican them. Oh God, man.
But Chumpy, listen to me. I'm going to tell certain woman. You see them woman that who you say that about them a beat man every day and whatever. 9 times out of 10 are the entitled woman them.
Yeah.
Who claim to them now settle and them deserve this and that. Or are the one them we can't keep no man.
True.
And the reason why them can't stay in any relationship is always the men's fault, right? Right? So them not do nothing wrong. Them not do nothing wrong. And them not do nothing where Warren say them, something where them need to change certain qualities in order to adjust from, to make a relationship work and whatever this. 9 times out of 10. Them, the woman when you say the loudest out there work. Say one thing I go on, you know what I notice? You see the video them with all these women who say like, I want to man, on a man now approach you again.
Yeah.
I want on a man now look you again. On a man, I want my tune them, I go somewhere and the man don't ever come look me and whatever. And I'm like, are you frigging living under a rock? Miss Lady, why you there? Y'all I want my door for y'all want my door. You don't even know if you want the door for the woman I want me
and they don't even say thank you.
No, them don't say thank you,
I've
whatever
done
this.
it. I've
you
done
want
it
the door
a
for
lot
me
of time, and they just keep walking.
Now I hold the door for whatever. Do I look like an invalid? I can hold the door for myself. And I'm like, what is your problem? you don't even know if you go so and go so. Me too gone out the door. People up on TV every day say, once a woman say it, believe her.
Yeah.
You know hear them with us something?
Oh, we hear it. That's
once
law.
A woman say it, believe her.
That is law.
You tell me no. We know say you have abusive man out there. We know some man been sexually exploiting women from Dine Kingdom come. We know some women have been living under all kind of, sadly, under all kind of abuse from men for hundreds of years. We know that. But at the same time, if you are going to say, once a woman accuse a man of something so egregious and serious, you must believe her. Because, you have a case where them been disbelieving the woman them before. But when we men hear that, what you think we are going to think? Could I hear that?
Yeah. For real.
I must sense we have to pay attention to that and say, oh, that a run, be careful.
Exactly.
Don't run in. Go easy. Right? If you live in a climate where, because if you are going to say once a woman says something, believe her. Common sense will tell you, say, before you even reach there, sir. Good people and bad people, they're everywhere. Correct? Don't it?
Yeah. True.
Don't you have good man and terrible, disgusting, dirty, wicked, evil man, don't it?
Oh, yeah. It's there.
Is it accurate to say, you have good woman, very, very good woman of just remarkable integrity and virtue and the whole works and thing. And isn't it accurate to say you have wicked, dirty, wicked, evil, nasty, dirty, wicked woman? So if we know say you have wicked, dirty, evil, nasty woman out there, who are here said there's a climate out there where them have to just accuse a man for something and people out there gonna believe them. What you think them woman they are gonna do? Right? Yeah. And what you think an intelligent man who watch them something they are gonna do and whatever. That intelligent man they know I go say, yo man, go easy, man, cause them woman they move so and so. And say once an accusation like that come upon you, even if you prove it after, say, I saw it going on, you were still the guy accused of sexual abuse. And that I carry you right through.
Yep. That
right?
stays
Soon
with
as
you.
you sit down get near somebody's daughter, come, Sharice, don't sit down beside him. I hate you. You understand?
Yeah.
So when it's so when these women are talk about, I want to the man them and what, not only that, the one them who run up them mountain and say them something there and all them thing there and whatever. The good woman them, you know, them not come on social media and say nothing, you know. And them out there. You that thing say them other woman here run the place. Them not come on social media come talk about no.
They're humble.
But they're out there.
Yeah.
So almost always the ones them when you see on social media, a cuss man, a berate man, a ridicule man, and a sort of a reduced man. And I say something wrong with them kind of man not come and whatever this and that. No more something about you, the man they must have sent and say, go louder one day, man. Man, I look man still I look man. Them just more circumspect and thing and not running on certain things.
That's
which
true.
is wise, right? Which is wise.
You have to be careful these days, man.
Anyway, you know, some I talk to you and thing, I'm kind of feel an energy from you, you know?
You see it, right?
Eh?
Me see how I drink a thing.
Nah,
Hey,
yeah, you bad mind me for me be a list, though.
No, yeah, me can't manage it.
Yeah, bad mind me. When you say another thing.
Hey, as I'm a heterosexual,
Right.
male,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll give you a thing. 'Cause the man them out there, you know, the one on the other side them.
Yeah.
And they look for convert, you know, and I look for you know. I remember, when was it? Last summer we go at the mall. I walk over so. Miss. Last summer we there walk. Where I walk last summer.
Yeah.
In a cross country mall.
Mm-hmm.
And I tell you say one of them dress me down, you know.
What you mean?
Me in my sweatpants. Sweatpants I walk. And a man I walk in front of me, you know, and dress me down, you know.
No, what you mean?
I look for my things and I dress me down.
What you mean? So that, what you mean them bare face down?
Bare face to the thing.
Wait, chumpy door. That is a New York, LA, Miami,
Atlanta,
Las Vegas thing, you know.
Yes. Yeah, I feel uncomfortable again. Like,
yeah.
Why them a do all of this?
No, but they would say, but only look for a woman all the while when you see
No,
woman like woman.
I can appreciate a woman that look for me with my bow leg and my thing. But just, you know what I mean?
No, you know, say, all right, Chumpy, we know the guy rule. When you go in a public restroom, right? And you use the restroom, you keep your face so. For those of you who don't know, it's a man thing, right? Where we're going at the male restroom and we are pee and we are urinate. Once you go up, right? And them didn't line off, you know, once you go up, you keep your face so. No man no look, you know, look around and what. So you see, once you come, so you see, if a man head move, your peripheral vision.
This is why.
Your peripheral
this is why
vision.
I wait for the one with the door.
The kind of one.
You go in there and you see it happen. Especially the ones who are taller than the little partition. Then turn on and look.
Yeah, no, I mean, like when you go and them not have the partition. Them I like when the partition did the car, you know. But
in the airport, there's no partition.
No partition. But you know, say I have experienced that about 2 or 3 times. And all of the time them is New York, you know.
Well, me get it at Atlanta airport. Me get it at New York. Me get it out on the West Coast.
No, man, at New York, the 3 times. I say, I use the bathroom. I think I'm Madison Square Garden. And I just say, the man come and the man just, Chumpy, the man comes, so. Well, Chumpy, I swear to you, the man comes, so. And the man a pee-pee. And so me, they are pee-pee, and me I say,
No, this bitch did not look around and then have him. So now, in my mind now, in my mind now, if me look on him, and me rinse up my face on him and thing, I go boy. So me go, so now, I'm just gangster up my face and, like some of this, so much gangster up my face and turn on and look on him like, Chumpy.
Him get the picture.
When I get the picture, Chumpy, you know, so that bitch comes to see me.
That's
When I know, I just turn around my face and say, I believe that money. me say, him not say nothing in there, but the look on him face is like, yeah, me I look for your body, I want. Well, Chumpy, you see after I do that, man, a gangster again.
no. You have to take for yourself.
No, mama, turn around and say, I'm alone, man. You know, me say, I'm not look for that brother, man. Me say, Chumpy, me tell them, man, I suck, but it's a New York thing, them brave in New York, because them know them are back it if you saw them way there, I saw them going to New York, them not care, them I some look a gangster, some gangster game on them,
Yes,
right?
man.
Yeah, see, me say the dog comes, the dog I do him thing, and when him dog comes, and the man, it's like him look over for me, and then him do a second, and the man move him head. You know, say, you broke the guy rule.
Brave.
Yeah. And then after me rinse up my face and look for you go.
Yeah, the fish move.
Yeah. Like him say, what you have to do about it? Eh? What you think you can do about it? Yeah, rinse up your face. You can't stop me from look. And that's the man I said to me. I'm saying, yeah, my lord, man, I am come kick him in him throat and all these things and whatever. So I'm just blow him out here. So.
That's why I wait until one come with the door, man. I'm going there, so that's it.
The corner. But here I know. The other thing I like is when I don't know, them not do nothing, but
no.
White men just have a thing where them something there's like bother some of them. You understand? It's like them have no boundaries. So you have some of them, like you did have people, and them will come up and just start have conversation with you and talk to you like a nothing. And I talk to you like
mash up the whole mess.
Yeah. Man, when I just come out and wheel out the mood and be like, yo, that snow is terrible. That snow is terrible out there, man,
Like I wrong place to have a conversation.
Wrong place to have a conversation and I'll talk to you about snow. Next thing you know, them are going to talk about how many inches did you get?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, I can't imagine how much inches you did get, about 10 you get, how much you get or whatever. Man, I know conversation.
No.
And they say, them have, them for them with the thing about buddy. He's like, what's up, buddy? How's it going?
Hey, bud.
No, I'm a Jamaican. I'm a PP. This is not a time for you in a conversation with me about body. You understand? We're not just telling, peace and go on.
That now go on,
Yeah, no, that now go on. First of all, it's a Jamaican man funny about them something there.
Yeah.
A man people must really come down upon him for him go even stand up beside a man.
That's
the
true.
urinal beside the next man,
We're going to push.
Yeah, a man wait till him can use a urinal when nobody there beside or whatever this and that. You understand?
That's how we do it.
Yo, me see one video. Some should have, I don't know why, probably me play it on Monday. One man at Jamaica. So, the derogatory return.
Yeah.
B-man, right?
Yeah.
And the man I say, yo, I say somehow no man out there, but to not send LOL. No man no for send no LOL, use a emoji, somehow no boy LOL, no, so I don't say woman them alone for LOL. That level of ignorance and stupidity, them I can't manage it.
Only them, man.
I can't manage it. So sometimes them go too far with it, But jump in, my brother, big up yourself, give thanks today, get over that flow there, and listen to what the boss say, who are the boss, and the boss say, so and so. Trace, big up yourself.
What the people there at Jamaica, stay warm, because I know it's cold down there. I'm soon upon TikTok, I put on jacket. I saw a woman put on jacket on, and Uggs, a hat, and everything I do the most. But few people, but stay warm.
No, Chumpy. Me here say, what it a day, the elevated parts of Mandeville, Christiana. It
Yeah,
dropped in
my side
19.
of
No,
town.
hold on. It dropped in 19. Pandemic year, like low 20s, teens. Of course, not one of dead and them something.
No,
But
like Christiana was down in the
Ye-
40s, you know.
yeah, some 20s to man. Some place dropping at 20s at one point. Someone late night
Celsius.
sitting. Me no know.
Well,
Somebody
no,
tell me say
that
20
hot,
something.
but yeah.
Yeah.
It was
so-
cool. It was cool.
No man, I be a balling down the man with the
Yeah,
cool,
I call my bridging this morning. I said, boy, you have in work gloves, you have to put you on and in socks. He said, work
No,
gloves.
but Chumpy has a 40s and thing. But remember, you know, Mandeville and Christiana and them in an elevated part around us, them been touching 40 and thing for a long time and whatever. Every now and then,
usually
you know?
cool. Yeah.
Yeah, because over this it was a cool. Not to mention Castleton and up where, Atton Spicer live, like Garden Town and Irish Town and all them place there. Not Blue Mountain, Blue Mountain, obviously, whatever. So yeah, you've been have some cool places in a for the Maroon place them. And
them places. Yeah.
Yeah, them
Up in
places
the mountains,
cool.
some
Yeah,
cool,
for a
cool
long
place.
time. But Jamaica not do well with a cold front.
No.
Jamaica.
I mean, you said that come again this weekend.
What the cold front are come again?
The cold front are come, yeah.
No, hey, you have a big up Jamaica, No, man, I tell you, so Jamaica full of talent, because...
Yeah.
No, Jamaica, the cold front can come again. It can
Yeah,
come
man.
and come again. I know everywhere the cold front come and then come again.
Oh, God.
We have some special talent,
Of course.
Usually the cold front no come.
No.
And the hot front and the warm front come regular.
And them come.
Yeah. So when the cold front come and then come again and thing and whatever, go give it up to Jamaica, man.
Give it up.
Yeah, big up the Jamaican cold front them, Because when them front cold and still are going with things, don't.
Still are going. Things have to go on, man. Yes,
Oh, you mean? My brother, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Bless
Respect,
up,
man.
Everyone,
Cool.
bless up, yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Cool.
More as enough respect. Again, people just want to know so this broadcast I go over YouTube too. Right? TamFam TV over YouTube. And for those of you over here in TikTok, you probably don't know. But for all these years, when you never see me over here on TikTok or whatever, I was actually doing lives over YouTube. Right? So, we have a set people, we have a YouTube family over there who don't do TikTok. They don't do TikTok, So, me I see them. But Fritz over Big Yard, so I see Fritz over Big Yard. G-Stop. Neil, you over TikTok? I don't know if you over TikTok, if you come over TikTok and thing. But I know say Juliet not do TikTok. Juanita, I never see Juanita over TikTok. So, and them they are YouTube family, Solid TamFam we are talking about doing people. Yeah. So I'm glad to say the YouTube people in my year, the TikTok people, and the TikTok people in my year, the YouTube people, and let's see if we can bring in Facebook and thing. And then we're gonna use that now to make people know about Big Yard and push it. We have a system here. Okay. Tall her, big up. Somebody did a call over. So the people that over YouTube, see the numbers there. Don't call the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number now work right now. Right? I forgot to set it up before the show. And when the show started, it was a little bit too late for go set it up and things. See? So we'll set up the WhatsApp after. Chrissy, I see you, with the crosses ANC self. What Sonia, what you say right? That's a Bernardine. I go down. See you. Neil, no man, Neil, you need, Chris, I know say you over TikTok, man. Neil, you need for forward over Big Yard. People all who watch right now, if you not join Big Yard yet, join it. It's go over tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. We're in the process of doing some programming to enhance the facade of Big Yard, the whole yard, We make it look good. Because it will look good. It's a ragga thing, you know, so you think for balance up, you know. All right, let me see who in that chat box right here, so. And if anybody a call. You see what I'm saying? And what's if say next somebody a come and come bad mind if I'm doing this. The
Country
person.
ragga, Gaza.
Wagwan juice media.
Snowball. Send a pound of snow come for me now.
Cool, man. Where you there, Papa? Where you there?
Why, I mean, I kitchen here, so I beat up some spaghetti in the night, you know?
It's a good thing you clarify. A spaghetti I beat up in the kitchen, no?
Yeah, man, that we feel first.
Okay, all right. Spaghetti and what? I got the Jamaicans.
And salad and some garlic toast and thing and little beverage, you know? No, Bailey's. Big man beverage. Maybe a little Ray and little pineapple juice and a splash of cranberry, you know?
A little what? Pineapple juice, what?
With Ray and him nephew.
Ray and him nephew with pineapple juice and a splash of what?
Cranberry.
Okay. And that's how you there. So
Yeah,
disrespect the BLS, no?
Nah, man. Nah, I gonna say nothing where we think the BLS.
No, I disrespect the BLS.
I'm gonna left the Baileys alone. My grandson there for the mat. Hello, him for the mat. But hey, it's a chumpy. Me go take up for you which one you left off and what you feel for answer. When him say, boy, him they get the little bun and him stay. But me I go agree with what I chat them when them say, boy, a bun for bun. But the way the bun is so hot compared to film 20 bun, it have a process in his brain first before he could have move.
Ooh.
Chumpy.
Oh,
Yeah, man,
okay.
the bun have a process because in his mind, him want to know how better than him. So, we can chew out a bun like that. So, him basically, him probably want to see who the bunner man was. Why him stick out so long?
Well, you're speculating. I don't think Chumpy didn't want to see. I don't think Chumpy want to see the Bonner man, you know.
You don't think so? You don't think so? The bun did hurt him?
No, the bun did at him, but that don't mean say he want to see the Bonner man.
Yeah, because some people want to see the bunner man still, you know. They want to find out who. Because remember, when we notice, you know, a man can have 50 women, you know. I should take one little piece of body, you know, man. And the man, them like, them are going to lose their mind.
Well, that is all right. If you love somebody when you did younger, if you love somebody and them born you want to know who them born you with, like you're obsessed with knowing who them born you with?
No, not really, no. Me, personally, would I look for revenge? Would I try to go for the auntie, the mother, or the sister?
Just to get revenge for the woman.
Yeah, man.
So hold on now. If you say you succeeded in doing that, no, and in retrospect you look back on that, you'd still think that was revenge?
No, because at the point at the time it feel good, you know, just like
at the time
commit a crime, you know, it feel good at the time. But when you're behind bars, you got troubles and skirt, you know, something shouldn't go over there. Everybody do that.
Exactly.
But,
no, you know, say enough woman love to do that revenge bond something there and thing, and and it not work, you know.
But guess what I tell them? I tell them, say, no woman, me personally, can't do what a man do. Because she have a whole heap to lose versus a man to me. In my perspective.
You're sexist.
You hear that the one in our background? Yes, yes.
Well, it's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Okay.
Yeah, it's unfair, it's an unbalanced thing. Admit it.
Made an entire system of patriarchy, and the only people who lose in it are women. And you guys walk around doing whatever the hell you want to do with no repercussions, but women are supposed to be held to some sort of moral superiority over you idiots.
Okay, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
She's hearing me?
Yeah, my daughter. My second daughter.
Tell your daughter that I totally concur, and it is one of the vestiges of the insidious patriarchy that serves the interest of men.
Serves only men's interest and men's interest only.
Exactly. I want you to know that I'm on your side, okay?
Mix up and blend.
Yeah, tell us I'm up on your side. These dirty, disgusting men with their double standards and thing want to curtail, constrict, arrest women into servitude and into this one-dimensionality while they're out there gallivanting and so forth like that.
Gallivanting.
Yeah, them are wicked. The dirty man, them are wicked and thing.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah. Tell her, where she there? All right then. I'm with you here, sis. I'm with you. Power to the woman. Okay. All right then.
Yeah, I'm a second daughter that.
All right then.
And Chumpy, if you listen, I might show up at that because I have to do my colonoscopy too.
Okay, seeing.
Yeah, man. So me really highly demand everybody need to go do it because the minute them hear that thing they were Chumpy just bring up, them said there's a pallet. Them all it, the first thing them do, them people them get them start fret. That's why enough man no want to go do it. Them start fret, but it could be an hemorrhoid, it could be any little thing, you know. So even if sometimes you go bathroom and you see look up blood, whatever, it could be just a hemorrhoid.
And then now the thing with them that now, even if it is something, shall we say, significant, right?
Yeah.
Remember, the earlier you catch it, the more you can treat it.
There you go. And they
You
were
understand?
talking about that today with the movie star. Them, if you ever see them out there talk about it and them and say, boy, them beat it and rate it because they catch it early.
Right. Wait, you beat it?
Me no know me have nothing. Me just I do it. Me just say,
that beat there.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
No, man, me just I do it. But boy, me I tell you, every time you hear the mighty God that died, your people, but tell you, you have to go through it, for understand, man. And the man, a big man, I look for me and tell me for relax.
But what is wrong with that if the doctor tell you relax?
Bossy, me no used to them something and the man I tell me for relax.
No, then it look like you're uptight and I tighten
and
up
that
round
me there. I screen up the thing and me tell you, and the man I get vexed. Yeah, man. So I tell you, the man say, buddy, I got patients to see and we need to get this thing wrapped up. And then me see him go at the door with the nurse. And them I whisper. I try listen, I tilt my ears over. I say, I wonder what the man talk about. And only thing me hear something go, whoosk. I say, yeah, I want that. And whatever. Then him come and say, all right, buddy, we got to get this over with. Straight in the man, God, some jelly business. The man.
Damn. Yeah. Wait, so when jelly up around there first, grease
yeah,
up around
man,
there.
this man have it in his gloves in his hand.
Yeah.
So even though you squinch up, it a slide right.
Well, you know, it's enough woman and listen to this and I say, you bug on,
yeah, but in reality, when you think about it, I rather know, say, boy, I'm all right, than not know because I have a person will find out too late. We just have a co-worker will find out too late and then drop out, just like that.
See it there.
Into the surgery and never recover.
See it there.
So, yeah, man, so a good thing the woman them do them little thing and, we need to do a thing till we have insurance and we did our work all these whole heap of hours and all them foolishness there. And now look out for ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves, man.
You see it.
And a little one up, we should have cabby say, she want that beating because man, when you reach a certain age, you know, proving thing,
Yeah.
A little 2 minutes.
You mean Kavi?
Yeah, man.
You know, see Kavi. Me check in with her, she good, She answer or whatever, but Kavi out there do shit. Kavi out there do Kavi,
Yeah, man, me rate her. But I love everybody can make it still come down and I put my best foot forward for drive up the road there and thing and
All right then. And then we're glad that you have now made up your mind, so you think the over Munchie and Kavi. And I just say rather than want you stray and come over whisper at me there, right? Because I notice from what day you're going like you want to come change up a thing, whatever. I understand. So what I like if you stay in your lane over so.
Hey, you know with a sketch that get what you call it? They get a squeaky moment.
And Squeaky still the boat, him new name, but well, not new, but him thing, Mr. Wacky.
Oh,
that him
people
a
call me
juggle.
because I don't hear from him in a
No,
long
man.
time,
Him
brother.
the on the app, man. I wacky him name, man. Mr.
Oh,
Wacky,
me
him
have
a
to
do
go,
him
me have to
things.
go give him a one shout and see him depend because I don't hear from him in a good minute, brother. And I like me say, you know, we used to see him enough, you know.
You see it. All right, Papa, I say a word and I
But
bless
man,
up
as I
yourself.
respect, you know, I beat up that little food in the night.
You
Like,
understand?
listen to me, man, like always, man, as I, yo, me did have a question for ask you, I'm keep on forgetting.
What?
Where your daddy last name?
What?
Where your daddy last name?
Stewart.
Stewart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my government, my real name is Kingsley Ragashanti Stewart.
Okay. Because me don't know every lately is I get a real strong resemblance of my brother, you know.
I'm not say what I said, but I've been dealing with it for like 2 decades now, 2.5 decades now. Every people say, I know your father, I know your father.
Brother,
Me know you this, me know you
strong, you know, me I say blouse and skirt. Every time I there, I look, my glimpse back, me think so, my brother, me I look panto blur.
Well on. Do you mean to tell me that somebody the ugly like me?
No, sir, you know your things here. You know your things here. You know your things
I
here.
can't believe say anybody. Me think say my ugliness just lock in one like a box and it just, seal up and thing, Rather ugliness, right? Anyway, my brother, how are the spaghetti that done?
Yeah, one.
All right. But
With
my
salad
brother,
and thing, you know?
yeah, man, all right. Now say a
All right,
word,
man, I respect my brother.
Enjoy, man.
TamFam, bless up on yourself.
Man, cool.
All right.
People with a band jacket mix up and we ask a question if a man, if a woman born a man 2 times. Hold on. Watch ya. Look who I call. Hello.
Hello.
Call what?
I want to ask you. I want to go on.
What you mean I want to go on?
I ask you. You know, I want to always say, you broom sweet clean, but old broom know the corner. You know how long you left, after last year you left, you go over TikTok and you have to come back and stuff. You know, see that? Nobody no want you over TikTok.
What you say? Nobody no want me over TikTok?
And that me say, yeah, that you're not ready. You there?
Well, me I go make... Now, Chumpy ask her who that. This is Carla. She's a foundation TamFam, right? But she's a YouTube TamFam, right? And things. So what you say? Nobody no like me over TikTok?
Nobody no want you over there.
Nobody
you
no
want. Come right back here.
You have to come right back over here, so okay.
Of course.
I'm going to leave the TikTok ladies them for answer that.
You have to come back right there, so.
I'm going to leave the TikTok ladies them for answer that and thing, because it look like you want to start a war,
Mm-hmm.
Look like you want to start a war, Carla, you look like you want to start a war, right?
What's going on, Ragas? Good to have you back on YouTube.
Remember, me make you walk all the way from Bournemouth, go way out to Harborview and never get the man where you go look for, Remember that, that never have nothing to do. That never have nothing to do with me. That never have nothing to do with me. No, it's not me. Make you carry 3 different type of yam and melon. Go get man out of Harborview, walk with it in a big bag and thing. Go give him and the man take your food from you and send it go right back at your yard and don't even give you chops. I know me. Make that happen to you. Okay. Boy, you give man 3 different type of yam for him body and thing and whatever and I get nothing in return. Poor you.
Hello, TamFam family. How you guys doing?
What's up, Carla?
I am it. Raga, boy, I tell you, the new year start off bad with me. Me not lie. But me there. I give thanks to life,
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. They give thanks to life. Me did miss you, but me never come over TikTok. Me not have no TikTok account. I'm not going over there. I stay right here.
Well, we know you don't have a TikTok account because you still have the little flip phone there. But what I say is...
Right, banger phone.
Wait, let me tell you something. Me resisted to the Carla, I don't know, years, it's pretty punchy, but Munchie are the same person. Years, Munchie and several other people, I said, come over TikTok. And I said, no, I can't keep up because... Remember, I come from What app with it? You probably don't even know the platform. The name High Five. You know High Five?
Yeah, I remember.
You remember High Five? What the other one did name run High Five too? Maybe a did that do that one day. What somebody soon put it, man. One day that one did they both run High Five time, man. Well, what I want, you remember what I want that name? Somebody soon put it in, man. Somebody. MySpace, it's same one, right? So here they have High Five. MySpace, and then IT come said to me one time, IT from IT and Fancy Catch a Raga, you need to go up on Facebook, you know. You need. And at the time, I said, and then I go up on Facebook. I mean, like Facebook because then when we did have my page, when I create my page, Ragashanti, the page I did take off. We did have a thing named Fan Wall. So it was Ragashanti Fan Wall. And when me tell you, say, every night that wall, when me tell you, say, that wall, jiggy. That Facebook page is jiggy. Me I say the character them with it on that beat. Me I say, no man, that's something I turn them. So me just think, say, all right, I eat this. Then after that, all kind of platform come on, Twitch, this, Pinterest. And me just said, nope, done with it. Done with it. We're not going on no more. And then so for a long while, me never go on nothing because if you follow them, you know, you just go from one to the other, one to the other, one to the other one.
Exactly.
Now, you know, the end me try TikTok do and TikTok shot. Me call them, I don't know how TikTok do it, you know, but TikTok find the people them. TikTok find the people them, Carla. Find the people them. Sometime a couple times, well, 2,000 odd people me have over here. One time I go up to 2,800 people over here one time. Yeah.
Well, I only have Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
When you say Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Yeah, and then IG. Instagram, me did that do that for a while because I did that run the place for a while. Then Chris Cross come tell me, say, yo, bro, big bro, you need to go up on a thing named Snap. I said, hey, you know what I want there? You know what I want?
I heard about it.
No, sir. I know me not go up on that one day. Me can't keep up with it. Me not want to snap nothing. The only thing me I snap on my finger. Who you talking to? Who Fritz? But Fritz over big yard, you know, you not come over big yard.
Come do what?
Big yard, not. Remember say big yard are my thing, you know, so come over big yard, man.
Yeah, look, you can't see it. Now go foot further.
Come over big yard, man, because we help each other over there. You can finally learn how to bathe your skin properly.
No, you still wait for the body wash, and I don't know that.
So, Carla, let me ask you something now. So, if a woman...
Everybody can know when you bathe. Your face looks clean.
Well, I mean, you stop with?
Yes, I you stop with the way you stop with.
And then in front of my face, I rub some onion in your eye, you see?
No, sir. No, sir.
Carla, if a man, you know, the woman and she bone him, and him say, boy, I'm a Lego, and she beg it out, and him say, give her a chance. And then a couple of years later again, she bone him again. And him say, my Lego again, and him go back and give her a chance, and whatever. Do you think that man is automatically an idiot?
We can't see from a man's point of view, but from a woman's point of view, the first one time, two times, no, not the third time.
No, may I ask you though, do you think that man is just automatically an idiot? Or you can't imagine a situation where you ask, boy, based on what them explain to me, I can't see why him stay. And nothing wrong with that. Him an idiot.
I have to get the 2 sides, 3 sides to the story or to the argument before me make no version.
Yeah.
That is my point. But it's a scene side alone me I go hear from. But that's when I say, brother, if you go on enough, you don't know where me lead up to.
Well, I understand that, but what I'm saying is, me not gonna say he's automatically a fool.
No, me won't tell him that.
Right, me don't know why him stay or whatever. No.
Exactly, why must stay.
Yeah.
But if to be honest, if me hear one side of the story, which me not like here, my argument with me what I say, better you let go. You know, but if you know ask here, internet. You know, you're about the one out of Harbour View, where the man killing wife and kill himself out of Avalon.
When that happened?
Last month, man. The end part of last month.
Last month, as in January or
And in
December?
January.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
What him do? Him catch it, but she a bunny man thing and what him do? Him unalive her and then unalive himself?
Analyze himself.
Nikki, I said, about 2 weeks now. Out of Harborview?
Mm-hmm.
How many years about that one?
Yeah.
How it go? What you know any details associated with it?
I know them personally. I know them personally. Me and the girl used to work in the same office.
No, so what happened? What happened?
Well, as far as my investigation, they had a fight this Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
And at the Sunday eve and the eve up to this, and the neighbor them now see them a go out the Monday, man. Nobody now drive us to go work none of that. So the neighbor call the police. The police go over there. Inside, she with her throat cut put out of her back and him up.
Them find she with her throat cut?
Mm-hmm.
And him hang up?
Mm-hmm. He hung himself.
About 2 weeks ago. Nikki said about 2 weeks ago. Really?
Yeah, but yeah. Mm-hmm.
Carla, you see what me I tell you? You see what me I tell you?
But it's an ongoing situation. But I thought it would have resolved with all of the people that I advise them say, better you just not bother with that or do this or do that counseling. No. But it is heart-rending to know that it has to lead up to this. You understand?
You remember there was a situation where one woman, I think she was one big digital executive or so, and she did one boy where jump up in her belly and she did all and mine him and she did all and mine him or whatever. You remember that one day? And she
understand that so much
and then him end up unalive her, and I think him did unalive himself. Who remember that one day with the let me tell you something, man. I'm not sure off or nothing, but I tell you, say them boy that them need to take a page out of my book, man. I tell you, them need to take a page out of my book. Because I not kill no woman. I don't even war no woman over our front. For what? No.
It's rather it's easy said than done, because if you're in a situation, as if to say you work hard and two of you come together and say, okay then, X, Y, and Z, and when you take a start, X on go on, no, and Y you get, Y on go on, no, and X you get. It's hard. Because me did in a position in a raga. Me did reach the way, and it's not like you say we couldn't do dangerous thing, we could have do it. But we have friends that say, Lego, take up few piece, cut.
Carla, I get it. Hold on. Basically, you're saying somebody betray you. Right? Mm-hmm. That is basically what you're saying. I get it. All I'm saying, and I've been saying this, if people, everybody, position their mind in a particular space, it's not that you're not going to be disappointed, right? But I always say, manage your expectations, ground yourself in reality, and manage your expectations. And what I'm saying is, you have people who these things happen to them, and based upon wagwan in a fit them mind and how them see the world and how them see people, and them know exactly what them can control and what them cannot control. When these things happen to them, they are indeed disappointed, them upset and things like that. But when them say to them not going to kill nobody, because them have a part of them when them say, well, we didn't make a pledge, so we're going to love each other and take care of each other, so and so and so. You have violated that pledge or whatever. Me can't control you, go do what you want to do. Now it's up to me to decide if me want to stay and try to work it out, or if me want to make a move go on, and if I make a move go on, how you might react. Me have to take time, take me out a lion mouth or whatever, this and that or whatever. That's all me I say. But if you live in a world where you are just, your actions are the result of your feelings only, and not your mind in a particular space, because of emotions and anger, insecurity, and them emotion make people do them something, then get vexed and do them something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Emotion, you know. But if you as a man, for example, say, you know, say, any woman me there with enough from have it, me I go take care of her. And me I go do anything she want me to do for her. But I don't own her. Some would have like, you know, say, any woman stand up for that woman, then she go stand up for me. But if she not stand up for me, what me I go do? What me I go do? Me not me I go kill her for whatever.
No, and I alone you say, all right, then let me see and go and when I go, no, brother, you know, you can't go like the, you know, left and at the same time, you can't get along and you can't. No, I don't know, but
listen to me. You hear what I say? You hear what the Chinese them say, the Buddhists them say. Them say all problems a human being face, right? All of the problem, you can go check it out, Google it or buy 2 books and read on it. You don't have to read everything, just read the fundamentals, right? The essence of Buddhist doctrine says all problems with human face, this is how they put it, is based on attachment. Attachment. It sounds like an oversimplification, but it is not. And that is just their way of going back to the control the expectation thing. So their thing is, don't be conscious of what you're attaching yourself to. Because when you start deconstruct that, you know, when you attach yourself to something, you know, it's defined within you now, you know. So if that thing is stolen or it is abused or whatever, it's like you are being abused. But if you're not attached to them thing, they're not aware there, right? Whatever happened to it and thing, you are an observer of it. So for example, now, them people, you know, them man who thinks that them own woman pum pum, they have attached themselves to the pum pum, to the woman and pum pum, you know. And them feel like say if them spend money and thing and the woman promise them everything and this and that and that and that and that, then she, under no circumstances, she must break the rule. And if she break the rule, because they're attached to it in that way, it's like it'll break them. And I saw them feel compelled now to take some corrective measures or something. You know, them have to do something violent or aggressive to establish equity or to get back at that person because you have hurt me. Hurt me? When it's your pum pum? You know, if me hurt, I me hurt myself. It's not you hurt me.
exactly. Some people not see it that way. Some people not see it that way. Mm-hmm.
That's why I tell people I can't get born, you know. You don't believe me? You believe me, Carla? Eh?
In some way.
Right? And why me say me can't get born? Because I'm free from that something, you know. If me there with that woman and she come and she say, if me there with that woman right and she come and say, born you're rich, make a laugh off her. I say, you that dear people there. Me, you born me, none of born upon me. Right? Are you going to take one body in your pum pum under pressure? You probably never did want that body there, but you think say you're going to hurt me and this and that. Look there, you put some mileage on your pum pum and this like that, and it have no effect on me over here. And then them flip and say, you see it, you never love me, and be like, whatever, you can't gaslight. You can't gaslight a junker like me at this stage of my life. I'm mad, you're mad, man. Right? Because I like me there with a woman and she come say that and thing, you know. But the first thing I sit to her, I say, listen, and it did good, you know, please. Me say it did good, you know, come in and want to go do something like that and I want to kill this grind you get. Right? Right, me want to know, say, the boy deal with it billions and you come 10 times. Me just want to know, say, it's worth it. Right? And that me I go tell her. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then know if she, if she says she do it yesterday and whatever, I'm say you be it since you do it and whatever, I'm say you good, you know, alright, I say come give her headers and thing right there. And then so me now, like don't know woman when them go give her them, go give her them for them front where them go on. And next thing me know, me there prison and three big thick man come in and say, are you, we're going to make a shake tambourine tonight. Yeah, what the doctor did. Well, yeah, what the doctor tell Trumpy, bend over and take it like a man. You understand? Next thing you know, me in a prison jail and think, are you going to kill a woman over her front? Are you going to kill a woman over her front? You listen to me, man. When We done with you tonight, Mr. Tambourine man and whatever this and that and thing and whatever. Yeah, and Ben woman take it like a man and shake it tambourine too. Not happening to me. Right? Not happening to me. Me not go to prison for no woman front. You understand? Ladies, uno out there, any of me and uno there. If me want to catch up with something and whatever, you want to get back at me. If you want to sleep with 10 million man, a phone business that. If you're going to do it, forget at me, it's not going to work. You have got to do something else, yeah?
You heard that.
Eh? What?
You're going to make me living.
Oh, the one that go, what they say, you're making Yeah.
Them are what I want to tell me. 10 man come at you. You never make you living.
Yeah, walk around and blame woman who born you for the choices them what you make will get yourself in a trouble and thing and whatever. I idiot thing that. Yeah. So Mr.
Anyway,
Bram in our chat, the big up. Big up Mr. Bram in a Mr.
Mr. Brambamo, and the other day, Mr. You put up your son, I celebrated his son in birthday. That was so nice. You mean what's the family? And a family, not family.
Family, of course.
What's the family? Oh,
look at get a thing that no Zion King pan them keys, man. Boy, I 11 years old already, you know, soon turn teenager parameter
so
ratted,
nice.
yeah. And
yeah, me what are they? That's such a nice this the boy to old fat daddy. Could the daddy too? Yeah, me come my family.
No.
And a family, not family.
Family. All right, Carla. Big up yourself, man. Nice to hear from you, yeah?
Yeah, man, and it's nice to have you back on YouTube. But remember, do go sweet, clean, or do no kind of. Yeah? That's if you know. What be it now?
Oh, no. And Tasha, if you tell you, say, regarding the bulla them when you ask her for them only selling them like 6 in a pack. So she said you did ask her a dozen pack. I don't know if any dozen pack bulla. Why you ask her for a dozen pack bulla? I think the most of them everything is like 6. So she said she will buy 2 for you, 2 of the 6 pack, but she don't know if a dozen pack bulla. This is Antasha. Who's if you tell you that here?
Mm-hmm. What is it?
You have dozen pack bulla. You sure there are dozen pack bullas out there?
You too mix up, Raga. Bye. Love you, Raga.
All right, boo.
Love you, boo.
Raga loves you, boo.
Like Galang Raga. God beard.
All right, that's a word, Carla. Love and blessing name, say.
All right, man. One love. TamFam family with there on YouTube. Again, Raga, you can't do without it. Go.
All right, mama. All right, cool. Okay, TikTok people, I just want you to know that YouTube, the broadcast is going over YouTube also. Long time TamFam YouTube family they both. And they are seeing a phone number. So if you're over TikTok and I said, then we're going to talk to. We talk to people over YouTube who are seeing phone number, new phone numbers and things. And to the people over YouTube, I want to remind you again, don't call the WhatsApp number yet because I forget to set it up over whatever, so I set it up by the next broadcast. Also, I'm going to plan to have an outer order tomorrow over outerorder.com. But missing, no, you're not, don't cancel your YouTube account because Big Yard is up. Right? Remember, me still post over there. It's just that Big Yard is going to be an option. For example, if you're a subscriber over Big Yard, you'll be able to watch the programs them over TamFam TV in a TamFam world. It's going to confuse someone, but don't worry, we will understand it eventually, one thing at a time. Commercial free. Right? You will also have full access to the outer order show them, which over here in TikTok, them know them as sub live and thing. And we're going to post them up. So for many of you, for example, over TikTok, who you can't, like the people in Europe who are saying you not get for, listen and watch the sub live them, the outer order sub live them. So now I say, one can't see it. Me go post them over outerorder.com so you can who want to go over this or go over this and keep it separate because some people don't want nothing to do with outerorder. Okay? So everything I set up nice, okay? Neil, just go over tamfambiggyard.com. You can join for free or you can be a subscriber. Right? TamFam, it's the same thing. Just go to tamfamyard.com. You know, I figure put Tamfam Big Yard because tamfamyard.com is easier to remember. So just go to tamfamyard.com and you can register for free. Okay? tamfamyard.com and register for free. Okay? That's all the thing there. Anglia business. All right, nobody know that. So I'm back at things that go on, and I don't want to tell you what on them all the while. You know, we're going to Ghana in April and things. So Ghana 3, that line up on set. I'm going to come back from Ghana a couple of weeks after that. We have the TamFam get together in Orlando. All right. See? And we're going to hang out and do our yearly little foray and have our little fun hang out, play some Lodi, some domino, cook some food and thing, and show all of the ANC people them say, it look like Cavi there, you know. Right? All of the ANC people them say, you know, SDC I do it and whatever, you know the drill, and the whole drill and whatever. And tie up Java and make sure it's a Sheena dance because she had the only one in them crew who can dance. Nobody else in them crew can dance. And Del Marina put them something the fun one. Del Marina, you know you can't dance. Don't even bother with that something. Del Marina, you can't dance. Right. Del Marina, when you dance, you feel like when John Crow walk in a coal stove. Right. You know better pick up that something. Hello? Hello? Sweet Lynn.
Oh, wait, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Raga, guess what? You know, my phone is on the floor. I don't know, there must be a ghost in here. I didn't even, how are you though?
No, man, those damn ghosts, man, them just so... Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't request though.
You didn't request. Okay, it happens all the time, sweet. It happens all the time, you know. People accidentally touch the thing and, you know.
Yeah, but the phone is on the floor. Like it's on a carpet.
Oh, so you're not even near it or anything. It's not like...
No, it's on the front. I'm looking down at you, watching you.
Walande.
So wait, Raga.
So weird. Why you look down upon me and stand up over me and listen to me now.
Come here, eat.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Oh, you come here, stand up over my face, so and all these things and whatever. I want to go on this, so.
So
what
wait,
is warning, dear soul?
When my ear say hello, I'm gonna look something weird on my picture that.
Yeah, it happens all the time when people. At least you talk. Some people they do this thing where they think they go silent. I want to know. By the time them already are met nice and we are listening a long time, you know, whatever. So it's always fun to say, no, we know you're there already. Okay, we know you're listening. All right, but I don't know if your phone is on the carpet or it went off. I don't know what happened.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
You may have touched it before you put it on the carpet.
Before I put it down, probably.
Yeah, because you were up in the box for a while, you know.
Oh, for real? Oh my God.
Yeah. So okay. I think it's before you put it down, you came up in the box and thing. But it happens.
Yeah.
You know, on occasion and thing. It just happened to have happened to you tonight. And
well, I listen to you like every night though and whatever. You sort of like my little company and like,
all right. Blessings, man. Blessings. Respect and honor, man. All right.
Thank you, Raga.
All right. Yeah, man. Bye-bye. Protection, man. Do take care. Cool.
Bye-bye.
Oh, and the people that move over YouTube will not see the number. So if you don't want to call the number, and call the number again. Don't call the WhatsApp number tonight. That's for the people that move at YouTube because I didn't connect the WhatsApp number yet to sorry. Big Beer, me end up go send you an invitation. That wasn't my, a mistake me make here. Mistake me make here, Big Beer. My bad. Okay. I don't want the people them think so me harass them, you know. You see, me not understand TikTok do these things. It show the people them in the box. Then when you go over, There's always so much going on. All right, people, me go play something again. Something else. Do remember, wait, I'm come over here, so. We're going with sitting, this and that, what, taranat, what, da. All right, we're going at some different things. Now, do remember, like, TikTok people, you know, see them things here because them a play over YouTube and thing or whatever. But I want to listen that woman here. Listen that woman here what she have to say. All right? I sure want to say, yeah, some woman out there in the world. All right, here I go.
He's amazing emotionally, physically. Earlier this year, I had to have 2 brain surgeries. He stayed with me in the hospitals. He even washed my butt some of the times. But he wasn't working for a couple of months, and I'm 24 now. So I basically feel like I'm just real grown.
So what's your question?
Basically, like, we haven't been out on any dates or anything recently. How long do I wait before I feel appreciated?
Somebody said them did see it and thing. In a year what the woman said, though. In a year what she said. People, me say it, you know, sometimes when you see some woman cool and whatever, you don't know what them go through make them so cool. And the same thing too on the other side. Sometimes when you see some man just like, you know, dog at certain way and put up some shield and have all these protection and just want to say them just want because cool as possible and whatever. You don't know when them go through with some woman make them come so, you know. Right? Because all a man, you hear what she said? She's saying it. She go through 2 brain surgery and the man did a fear right through. Good man and whatever, this and that and thing. And she drop a road and she said, well, right now, you know, you don't ever feel appreciated, you know, like, more I look at a boy here, you know, and thing, you know. Hello? Hello? Oh, somebody call me answer, but me not hear them. Hello? I'm here, you're on the phone, you know. Are you calling a 416 number? Are you call? You're on the phone. Why you not answer? Hello? Yeah.
Afraid.
You afraid? No, man, you can't afraid with Master Raga, man. Come on, man.
Let me just say, maybe
Huh? You know, I'm not afraid of, man. I'm Master Raga, you talk to, man. I'll be gentle, okay? I'm gonna be gentle and patient with you. What's up?
Let me say,
Yeah.
maybe she afford that they like me.
Maybe she what?
Don't know how to appreciate things.
No. You need to speak directly in the phone, yeah?
I'm gonna call you back.
All right, calm on. I know say she never talk and thing and whatever, but we hear enough to know where she there, right? Cause she defend the woman. You know? Maybe she never know how ladies, why, for the most part, you don't have any problem I recognize when a woman wicked. When she do something wicked to another woman. You don't have a problem I recognize it then. But anytime a woman do something wicked to a man, on the first instinct is to just come up with some maybe this and maybe that and maybe this and maybe. Why on the station? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga?
Yeah.
May I say, what if act of service is not her love language?
Can you hear me?
Yes, may I hear you? What if what? What if what?
What if acts of service is not her love language?
What if acts of service is not her love language? In other words,
Yes.
she might have a certain condition that we need to just understand why she's like that, correct?
Yes, Raga.
Make you wicked so.
Raga,
Where is who this? A cookie?
What if what?
Hold on, you know, say me never know you. You all wicked, yo. And Daniel, me know say you.
Them again inform in a chat.
No, me never know say you, man. But this is something what you would do, you know, just to come provoke me with the old crosses. So.
Yes.
No.
What if she love gift giving and she love quality time? She don't like acts of service. So him need to know her love language.
No, him just need to know.
Work with it.
No, him just need to know. Say, well, let's just say what it is. She don't care for this guy. I mean, so him just need to understand that, right? And that is important. Very often people stay in relationship for different reasons without facing the reality what them need to face. And in this case, this woman don't like him. Right? She don't care about this man. She don't care about him welfare or anything. But outside of that too and thing, him just need to know, say, well, she ungrateful and she stay bad. At the same time, I'm not saying that because somebody do something good for somebody and if them not feel a person like that, them supposed to stay there. I don't agree with that either.
That's true.
I don't agree with that either because if she just flat out knows that she not like him, but him did do good for her, why should somebody stay with somebody because them do good for them when them not go happy? And if them not go happy, it will mean that eventually, inevitably, the relationship will suffer for that. So sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and make the hard choice and come out tight because you know you're not there and things like that. So that part me get, you know. As there's some people have this thing like, oh, the person does so much good for you. If you don't love them and care about them, don't stay.
Yeah, can it just make it worse?
They make it worse. And just know that when you leave, people are going to beat you. But that's just part of the game. You're going to take a beating, you know, but don't stay if you know, you understand. But the way you should make it sound though, and the way you should just cavalier with it and thing, we not hear no sensitivity there and God, the way she come out.
No empathy, nothing.
Nothing. You know, she just come like, I'm 24 and I'm ready for do it. Yeah,
ready for life now.
Yeah, I'm ready for broke out and thing and whatever, I know. Yeah, Naval, me play it again. Naval, I'm play it again and whatever. But yeah, she just come out. Me not hear no care and no respect to her. I mean, big respect to her for she has said no, cause she going. Cause you have another set of people, you know. Them really talk about the surgery and whatever and thing, you know, and them not really talk about it in a way for make you know say something good the person do, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Them really say it like, yeah, I'm the fellow go to hospital 2 times, you know. And then you listen and say, well, that's not a big deal. If him follow you go to hospital or what? Where am I going so far? Yeah. And then later on, we down, him say, yeah, she did have 2 brain surgery, and I him spend up a whole heap of money, and him dead, and him this and that and that and that and that. But Cookie, let me tell you something. Me there with a girl at Jamaica, I say, and when me end up go hospital and then put me, well, you know, you go to UC, you know, if you have a look of food, you go there. People wouldn't call apart there.
Or canteen.
Move you look at dirty nastiness and go. Move to that woman, man. Oh, I told me say have a look of food. No, man. Cookie, you know, say you need help. You need help. Me I say if you have your money, man, 20 tweets. All right. Then my one part I used to like people me don't want to think me a show off or anything. Like. Then my one part I used to if you have your money, you go around this so around one ward, you know. You go around this one thing and it's a whole different treatment you get than the other people, you know?
Yeah.
So me did me go do surgery and thing and whatever, you know, the 22 years and thing go on there and I mean there with this girl and whatever. I'm in a hospital, I'm a wake up out of surgery and thing, and she come, and as she come in, she start fix the bed and she and look and thing and whatever, and she just get busy around the place, and me and watch her, you know. And then we talk and talk and talk and talk. And then when night come down now, them tell her, say, yeah, you have to leave now. And she said, oh, I'm not leaving. And the nurse said, no, you don't have an option. And think she said, I don't care what you're saying, I'm not leaving. My girl take up the other bag where she have. Me see my girl just roll out one sleeping bag so and pillow and whatever. And she did look on the nurse and just lay down there and think, man, I'm not leaving him tonight. I'm staying right here. I'm sleeping here tonight and thing like that. And the nurse just look on her and say, and the nurse leave her. And let me tell you, man, you see, right at a moment, you just know. You know what I say? You just know. You just know. You know, and you find, say, when later, I mean, about a year after that, the endometriosis, wait, yeah. What, that's something?
Endometriosis.
Endometriosis, I'm whopping, man. I may tell her what part till the point, you know, you kill something, man. I may tell her, me eye full of water. I say, no, I have a gangster for you right now, you know. And the treatment fee, you know, it come up to $1 million and whatever and thing. I say, I want me to you. And what you do? What you do? What you do? You remember say you the lady in the hospital with me, I want me to you. You're good, man, and worry yourself, man, and whatever. And, you know, so you just kind of, me not say, I just because she's I tell you, oh, she steers. Some little things I'm notice. You just know she's that person that she just care, you know? Yeah, we never work out and thing. I will never work out because of me, because I did bad. Whatever, you know? But you just know when somebody care about you and the person love you and care about you and whatever, them don't even say nothing to you. Them just are moving away where you just drop back and you say, boom, that the real deal, this type of something. You understand what I say? And think, she not care about this boy. Yeah? She not care about him. She not care about him.
But regards him, some have a friend, and him have one girl like that. Him end up in a hospital. Him can't walk or anything. And she take care of him and clean him and bathe him and everything. And him say, boy, him no want her. Him say him no want her.
Why him say him no want her?
I mean, I said, why is a whole heap of something? Him say something like, she make friend control her. Like she love follow friends.
Oh, okay. Well,
but yet still, him do things with her and accept certain things from her.
Well, yeah, that can be a problem. That can be.
But at the same time, I think is him giving up because him take care of her daughter like a female one because the father not dead here. So I guess that is the.
Tell me something. Why is it that why is it that you have all these people out there who get bored and unmotivated and unattached to people who will we're not talking about finances now, but just people who are devoted to them. But then claims that they love somebody now who not devoted to them and things like that. What is going on there? Like overall, just fundamentally, what is going on there?
Maybe some people just look for a certain thing in a person, and maybe the person who would do the work for them not have that one thing. I don't know. And so then finding somebody else, but the person still not pull them weight. So I guess probably it's just preference. I don't know. Some people have trauma, so it's like they're used to a particular thing as well that is not good for them. So them just attracted to the toxic behavior. I don't know.
No, but what I'm saying is, what I don't understand at times, I mean, I if you tell me and talk to me, I can understand it. But I'm just saying in general, because every situation is what it, but there is a pattern out there amongst a lot of people where they just feel unmotivated, disincentivized, them not feel no vibes from somebody. Is like somebody who is just routinely and predictably nice to them. Them just end up all abuse the person there, and sometimes them don't even want to do it, them just end up a do it. It's like people get uncomfortable with somebody who is 24/7 predictably nice to them. Which means I still saying, treat me good. Treat me fucking good. I'm sorry. Treat me good. I don't want nobody if gonna treat me bad. Eh?
Sometimes them force it on you because sometimes you try to push them away because you say, okay, you're nice, but you're not my type or you're not what I'm looking for. And them still force it no matter what you do. Them still a force it on you sometimes.
No, that me get. Because the person don't tell you from the get-go, so them not feel you like that, them not like you like that and whatever, and then you keep on and whatever and this and that. That part them me get. But me I talk like the people them who get in a relationship and them did like somebody and there was a mutual attraction there, and as the relationship is evolving, you just have these people out there that don't like they're not comfortable, they get bored. And let me tell you something as a man. Well, not as a man, but you see, any woman, I probably shouldn't have said this, but you see, anytime me hear a woman say, me get bored easy, some man have to keep me excited, or can me get bored. You see, if I me hear a woman say, I say, yeah, man, I want to name that, man. I want to name that.
I want what?
Yeah, you know, I want to, you see them woman there? If you follow them down the part there, you just have work and do so. You work and do so, and you fret and you stress and you want. And if she sit down one day and quiet, you say, Jesus Christ, I'm bored, she bored right now. And then you have a thing like that, and you turn in that
film. You can't keep the woman entertained, Raga.
What?
Every day just boring, sir.
What?
You can't keep the woman entertained.
You can keep entertained. Go on about your business. Anytime you hear a woman,
excitement, every day the same thing.
No, man, you have some woman, man. And when you hear that come out and them mouth, when you hear anybody who you hear say, me can't, there nobody who can, so and so. If them have to keep me excited, can me easy for bored. So anybody who talks don't understand life. Them don't understand life because life is not a constant high, Relationship is not a constant high, You see, anybody you see out there in a long relationship, they may have never said it to their partner, but at different points of that relationship, they felt like they were no longer in love with that person.
That's true.
And them steer through it and thing and reach back another point where I'm like, damn, but I am in love with her or I'm in love with him, right?
It's a roller coaster.
Yeah, and it's not necessarily a roller coaster like upheaval. I just I saw life go.
Yes, and
that is life. Yeah.
Sometimes up, down.
Yeah. Them people who you see in a long relationship and thing and whatever.
But that's something like something them up and down and.
No, but that is life. Sometimes you don't feel in love with the person that you're in love with, but sometimes you just don't feel it. And now as a grown person have to understand that. But me I tell you, say you have some people, me a man, so me I tell, well, I'm a heterosexual man. So me I say, you have woman out there, right? As soon as look a problem come, I got them one going, me can't bother you, man. And the one them who stay so the hot girl, let me know. And what they don't realize that they are addicted to feeling good. That is what it is.
Yeah.
They are addicted to good. It's like they must get some. Oh my God, you did this for me. This is so wonderful. Thank you. And
sometimes we can't bother the excitement. Sometimes we want, just easy back. We get overly stimulated sometimes.
Well, but me I tell you, say you have woman out there, them.
Yeah, some women still out there like that.
You understand? And then now, them claims say, you know, I don't know, him not do nothing, him nice, you know, but sometimes I just get bored, yeah, man, and I don't know, I just get bored easy, and whatever, and and them, yeah, man, I run up and down, I try to please them woman, they 24/7 and all them something there. I have woman, you know, who I try to please man in them position there, whatever, and all them thing there, whatever. Anytime you hear somebody say, me get bored, or me like she, because only she can keep up with me because I get bored easy. I'm like him because only him can keep up with. If you follow them people, like, you just run 24/7 like you see, and you know, code, yeah, you just run up and down and you have to go, you have to do this and that and whatever.
But you need to relax your nervous system. You can't just high, so you know.
But I that them want, right? And that's why sometimes a man have to just have a time say, my girl, sit down and keep yourself quiet, man. I want to, we not go do the London. Sit down and keep, we are like cookie. I said, sit down and keep yourself quiet, man. We are going to suffer.
That's sweet, me.
What? Sit down and keep yourself quiet, man. All them women that we want to start out every night and every morning. You try to leave me alone. You can keep yourself quiet and see a banana there.
You can't give me a chance with that, man.
What?
You can't give me a chance.
What? No, you have a problem with that, you know, that every day something there, you know. You have a problem with that. You have a
it's
problem.
my sign. It's not my fault. It's my sign.
Is it what?
Read the sign.
Which sign? Your sign? Is
Scorpio.
it Scorpio? Oh, well,
you
that
have to.
no, well,
you have to.
Well, yeah.
I don't have a choice.
That's a Scorpio. Yes, a Scorpio people.
It's written in the stars.
Yeah. That's a Scorpio people stay. On a honey can done, right? Me no want no Scorpio woman for there with. If we're gonna have fun, we'll have fun for a while. But then I will know say we have fun and thing, and then we'll go about our business and whatever.
All right, we can have fun now, and then we give you 3 months.
What?
We can have fun now, and we give you 3 months to recoup and come back. And then
you know what I'm saying?
I got to go.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I got to go.
No, man. Every Scorpio woman I'm there with and whatever, man. They're insatiable. You can't satisfy them. You cannot satisfy them. You understand? I've never been able to satisfy a Scorpio woman. I mean, you know that every day is something that 2 times a day is something there and whatever this and that. You know, a Scorpio woman make me and my body in a war.
You have to go. You're not here. I have to go.
No, you don't have to go. Yeah, what you need to do is come. Where you go?
Hmm?
Where you go? You're going
my mouth full.
Yeah.
I have to go.
Your mouth full?
Yeah.
Your mouth. What? Tell Bossy big up for me. Yell him up there for me.
All right. Yes, and also I wanted to say how to come on the live and tell with the mix up and I chat and I'll not tell with the mix up and we're away from mix up.
No.
That's all.
What you mean? Then Chumpy never give the mix up? Which mix up Chumpy never give?
No, the jacket mix up.
No, but well, probably him shouldn't do that something. I just come to tell us, I'm going to tell you that something.
Yeah, and then till next week.
Yeah.
Suppose, you know, so next week, no promise? To no one.
No, you know, so me hear that something there. Don't, if you're not going to tell me something, don't tell me. But don't come tell me, say, don't bring it up and tell me, say, you know, so me want to tell you, but me not going
things and then say, oh, me not want to talk about it again.
Yeah, me not want to talk about it again. And you know, me not going to tell you something, but me tell you next week, yeah, don't do me, don't do me that.
Next week, not even tomorrow.
Yeah, a program, no, not even tomorrow. Not even tomorrow, my giant. If you're going to tell me something, tell me something. If you know you're not going to tell me nothing, there's something, don't bring it up and mention it. Say, you plan to tell me.
Beat him, Raga.
Right.
Continue beat him.
Me not beat him. That's between you and Chumpy.
What?
Me say me not beat him. That's between you and Chumpy. All right, big up yourself. Oh, by the way, people, some people them see you over, so you know, and them say them like your picture on big yard. Me just I tell you, yeah.
You say it already. Why you say it again, for?
Nah, me just say people them must swear for you. You're lucky, yeah. And people them must swear for you. And people them must say they're not so cookie look and thing. And people them want to give you little blessings. They see that me and tell you, you know that. All right.
You send my bank account information. All right, later.
All right, cookie, cool. Yeah. John. Yo, Shanae, what's up? Kalia. Kalia said that's her pet peeve. Okay, indeed. People, remember, if you're not join Big Yard, make sure you join here. TamFamYard.com. Just go over to TamFamYard.com and join. You can join for free. And that way you can participate in the activities over there, okay? Oh, Jesus, me keep on. Big Beer, ignore that here. My bad. I threw your name up on the top. It keep on
Raga.
Eh? Sorry, man. Sorry, man. I threw TikTok
right,
mess
man.
up. TikTok I
What
mess
bail
up
is
and
there?
through you there at the top. I always end up at me see me end up at I wait name there the invite by. What go on?
Me there, man. Where your bail is there?
It done, you know.
Me know.
Well, you have something playing that background a loop here. You hear it?
Hold on.
Must have him phone and go through him TV. Watch ya. Can I see say no you see sitting in hang up. Big Beer forward. Yo, Big Beer forward. Dr. Matt, I don't know what kind of question that you're asking. So I'm gonna leave that alone, you know. I'm not follow you about that question, you know. That question is not for me, you know. Better you go talk to the boss about that. You know. And Big Beer come back to the front of the class, come I don't know if you accidentally hang up a while ago, you know. Sorry, Naval. Sorry, Naval. Let me play back on this sitting fear with the wicked woman. She wicked like a and she had Tony Mataran with a call her all Gazamite. You know, Tony Mataran rank and thing and whatever. Wait there. Okay, see ya.
He's amazing emotionally, physically. Earlier this year, I had to have 2 brain surgeries. He stayed with me in the hospitals. He even washed my butt some of the times. But he wasn't working for a couple of months, and I'm 24 now. So I basically feel like I'm just real grown.
So what's your question?
Basically, like, we haven't been out on any dates or anything recently. How long do I wait before I feel appreciated?
How long she will wait before she feel appreciated? Because right now she's just not appreciated with this guy who was there in the hospital for her and just taking care of her through 2 brain surgeries and all this stuff and whatever, and she's just not appreciated. And how long should she wait, you know, to feel appreciated? Because this thing is getting heavy on her, you know. She's just not appreciated. She's not feeling appreciated by this guy who has been like a rock standing up, you know, with her, you know. So it go. So I don't know how we kid. Hello.
Yes, boss. Yes, good evening.
Yeah, what did I with your phone a while?
No, man, nothing wrong with my phone. You request me, I mean, I wonder.
No, but a while ago, I talk to you and it hang up.
No, someone called me that get on disconnect.
Oh, okay. Well, and then on top of that, I idiot phone, yeah. So.
No, man, me have good phone, man. No matter with that, man.
No, me does
Samsung Z Fold.
No. Samsung what?
Z Fold.
Oh. Okay. No, a top phone. That's
the phone where you open it up, you can open it wide and use.
Wait, you say what?
The phone, it come one way, and you can open it up wide. You can open it wide. Open it up wide. It give you a bigger. No, yo.
What?
No. You see,
what?
You're driving that one there, you know.
With me? No, man, just accuse me wrongly and all them something. I don't even have no idea what you're talking about. Me? No. So what I go do?
No, man, everything good, man. Everything cool.
Everything balance up and things.
Yeah, man.
You behave yourself?
Yeah, man, behave yourself, man.
Yeah, for for real?
Of course. Okay. Every time.
I hope you behave yourself and you're not tell lie. I gotta listen.
No, always. Listen, you know, from my mix-up time, then me gotta watch me find you wrong, so I try to do right by him right now.
Oh, that one nigga, what?
Me say me I try to do right by him right now based on my past.
Proper. 'Cause you have a colorful past, I gather, right?
We've discussed it before.
In your formative years, when your exploits they left a lot to be considered, correct?
Yes, I was very curious and
Yeah.
I was inquire.
All right, then, cool. And quite adventurous and getting yourself, kind of.
But of course, because,
Yes,
me a Scorpio too, you know the Scorpion them though.
Jesus, God.
Shout out to all the Scorpion them and I think, man. Shout out,
Y'all need help, man.
What do you mean we need help?
You don't need help. Them need
Help
like
in
a
what?
special, like in psychotherapy, we have, a whole bunch of, therapists that use different methodology. You have therapists who use right therapy. You have therapists who use action therapy. You have therapists who have different, therapeutic schools. And they have people who treat specific groups, As you know, you have pediatric therapists. You have therapists who just treat people with eating disorders. You have therapists who teach people who are kleptomaniacs and whatever. I think they just need to have like a set of therapists and they call them Scorpio therapists.
Fuck, sorry. No, sir.
Yeah, no, they
listen,
need that.
Scorpio are very good people. We're very loyal.
Well, I never.
Well, we're
I'm not
honest.
debating. Yeah.
And we enjoy the finer things in life and we achieve for the best.
Yeah. Well, that's true. Scorpio. They're hard
any
work.
venture we go for.
Well, every Scorpio, know hard work at them,
Yeah, man.
Hard work. They're not afraid of work.
No, man. We don't run.
And then what else? What else about the Scorpio?
Yeah, man. Loyal, hard working.
Yeah, and what else?
We can, we ride or die for you.
Yeah, and what
give
else?
love without very very lovable, we give on, open up, we're not hide and talk, Scorpio people are very open with them heart, honestly.
Yeah, and what? Open with their heart. And then what else?
I think that covers it,
And what?
I think that covers it.
That covers it.
Yeah, what you want to add to it?
But you said nothing about Scorpios being perpetual freaks.
I don't believe the perpetual freaks is the right terminology, Feet. I think we are like we are very
exact. It's most
exclusive
exact.
lovers that achieve for greatness.
We're not talking about exclusivity, and we're not talking about excellence in the act. We're talking about an insatiable desire for the act. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, but who don't have a desire for sex?
I never said desire. There was an adjective that preceded the desire. There was an adjective that preceded the noun. An insatiable desire. An unquenchable thirst for sexual favors. Scorpios. You are all disgusting.
Oh, God. Don't do that. Don't do that, as they say. Don't do that. Won't you? No, man, Scorpio, we love and we like to explore and we like to, do things that keep it spicy.
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
So what's wrong with that? Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
I mean, there's levels to it and Scorpio at the top level.
Well, no can't stand it. Okay. Because, we Raga have nothing to prove.
Yeah, man.
Nothing to prove. You have to go juggle with approval like Marcia, like Marcia good as anything.
No.
What? We asked about.
No.
So what you say, what Marcia good as for?
No, no disrespect to Marcia.
Now, a while ago you say, what Marcia good as.
No, I did not say that.
What? That is what you say. That you say. That you say. I say you basically I say you're not eat none of our black cake. Basically I say you're not never eat none of our black cake. And that me get from you a while ago. Right? You know what eat none of Marcia greater cake. And that me I get from you. Why?
Listen, me have no disrespect for Marcia Gooders. Our pastries and bakery are everything good. But me have my eye on someone else.
Oh,
so
shit.
That's something I got left it.
I don't say no name. Don't say nothing.
That's something I got left it right there. So, yeah.
Don't say nothing. Hold on. Is it Shanae?
You were just saying when I said that. We are calling people near Shanae. I don't even know I should. Wait, who near Shanae? No, I know Shanae.
It's not Shanae.
Raga, yo, me come on for anything, you know. You see, you respect the people them talk. Me have one quick mix up, but it related to
No, don't want hear it. Come on, send on the mix.
All right. On hospital, me did work. Administrator, Jamaican.
Yeah.
Jamaican man. I'm a draft one of the nurse tech.
Yeah.
Black American girl. But she had a fetish. She always wants sort out in the morgue.
In the what?
In the morgue at the hospital.
In the morgue around the dead body them.
Yes, sir. And this went on for a while till one night then get catch.
Oh, so they've been doing it?
They've been doing it, yeah.
Oh.
And get catch.
Yeah.
By hospital because they were bringing down a body and then catch them in the act.
Catch them in there. Okay. And?
Man get fired right there, sir.
Oh, them fire him?
Then fire him. My administrator if you know better. She claims that she did only do it because him the superior and she did it for favors. So she get transferred to another facility. She get fair job save and him lose fee one over dead body.
Cause him should have known better.
Somebody said they dumping them in farm.
They dumping him tired out, man. They dumping him tired out, you know?
Yeah, man. But
if you really think about it, you know, I know some people are gonna say just by them being the deceased, that's disrespectful. But there's, like you were just talking about levels, you know, there's an element here that we have to appreciate in terms of what the deceased were going through, right? They like to have sex. She like to have sex in the morgue, which is populated with the deceased, dead bodies, right? Yeah. So along those dead bodies were dead bodies that had to see a live body. That is disrespectful.
Slap it on your feet.
No, that is just categorically disrespectful, right? Right? Just imagine that the owners of all those dead bodies would like, why does he, the entire hospital, why them never go someplace else, right? We are down here now with our dead bodies, you know, holding dead bodies, and then him come down there with film live body the whole time and I work and thing, you know how much the dead people that miss the opportunity for go on with them something there. Them too out there, man. And they were not sensitive, you know, they were callous in their disrespect against you know, what the deceased were looking at and all them thing and whatever. That was rather rude, you know. You can't imagine all them, you know, red-blooded, warm-blooded, well, they were dead. Cold-blooded, man, I look and thing and whatever. Yeah, and then them can and probably shall have a good piece of coochie there and all them something there, whatever, and thing like that. That was unconscionable.
Sure.
Right. Liquid that is just like approximating necrophilia.
Oh yeah, that they call, yeah, exactly, yep.
No, what they were doing, necrophilia.
Necrophilia is
being intimate with the dead.
With the dead. Okay. Oh, right.
Right. Okay. You remember that woman there when them they catch and thing and when them they fire? People who remember that story that the woman who been having sex with all of the dead them for a long time. That's why you know for running in, you know, and every front if you jump up in there, you know. Like who remember that story there? It was all over. Which country did it again? The woman who did have sex with all of the dead them and thing. And she did work somewhere, she have sex with the dead them. And then people said, but she get to do that? And them explain, apparently there's a way to, you know, whatever. But just think like what kind of corruption has gone down in a fear pores now and all something.
Oh man, don't take out that man.
Yeah, that's why, you know. You imagine you have your front at dead wood. Like, man, you know. Like,
live wood and dead wood.
The wood are the dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That take all kind of wood.
Yeah, then you must have some kind of, I don't know, some kind of microscopic organisms are crawling. No, that's why you never run gun eat everywhere too, and then sit there and all and thing there whatever and go push everywhere and all and listen.
Exactly.
Alright. So what you think about the man now who forgave him woman twice when she born him and him a work on a relationship after 2 good born?
And honestly, I wonder that. Me not rate him. For
You not
him
rate
for the
him?
first time. Him for the first time, my God. There should be no reason. We I guess you get that you do it a second time again. I guess what? Nah. So I mean, say
Hold
after a while, I could just continue. Cause she know say in her back of her mind, him a go forgive her.
You cannot imagine being in a relationship and the woman sleep with somebody else and you stay in it. And after you do some assessment, you say,
no,
this is not good. But based on,
okay. They say they could be, what they call it, extenuating circumstances.
Indeed.
But I mean that have to be, interplay with that. But on a level, on the surface, no. After the first time, no, man. Especially me.
You can't forgive a woman for born.
No. Born nothing one.
No,
Right.
I never say it for go on. I'm saying if
Right,
it
but me
happens,
no.
you can't imagine so many other good things in a relationship where you have to say that serves your interest, where you have to say, well, take a knock right here, saying, but I'm not gonna forgive her and stay with it. You
But
can't
all right,
imagine.
then we have to go dig deeper and say, what is the reason behind it? What's the rationale behind her cheating? What did you cheat for?
Yeah. But I'm saying you can imagine that after engaging in that exploration, what exactly? Why did you do it? And then so that you come to a conclusion where you're like, okay, I'm gonna forgive her and try again. You can't imagine a situation like that.
No.
No?
You can't forgive her and leave her. But that made her do. Forgive her and just leave her. Because me personally, in the back of my head, that's what me I do my thing. I'm in a cheat. And me was a good man. No, that me have to say, it's all right. I just have a cut. What your face, right?
No, but well, hold on. All right, look at it this way: man a born woman for thousands of years, and woman forgive men for thousands of years. Women have been forgiving men when man born them.
Okay, well,
what if you get a look of bun and then you say, boy, the bun reach me, but say I still want good woman this, and me I go and work with this, because me I take that, me I take a knock, I take a alias up for the bun, but based on what so and so there, it's worth it for me to go and forgive her and push through. You can't imagine a scenario like that.
I have to just forgive and just keep going.
All right, well, let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
If me and Dr. Mark there, and Dr. Mark goes, so boom, I'm going to run it on liquid, I go run it on Craigton, and then me here. And then me here now, I say, yo, Dr. Mark, where you going to do that? And then she go tell me some foolishness. And then say, say some idiot thing she tell me, whatever. But then me go say, boy, say she treat me good and whatever, and she did it for me and thing like that. And, me and her build together, and it's a smart woman, and our value up there, So, what? I go and work with it, yeah, man. I'll take a bun and work with it and thing and whatever. So, you say me a idiot?
No, Raga, I won't say yeah. Me respect your decision. Me just say, me personally, me won't do it. But if me, plenty of time we see them situation that happen, wife cheat and husband and family and they say, yo, me stay in the marriage. You person, you might not want to do it, but you respect the person and the decision, and you see it true. So me respect you upon your decision and your life to live.
Well, me understand when everybody have to make them own a choice or whatever, but I mean, I tell people what to do, especially in them situation, they can not come back and call my name and go say Ragashanti.
Exactly.
But what me I say is, me see enough woman stay in a good relationship and benefit from it incredibly after they get born.
Yes.
I see enough man dash with good relationship because I look a small bone reach them and all these things. I look a flirting, I look a You know, I look born reach them and whatever, and the woman all a ball, and I say, you know, what you do? I mess up and thing, man, but Ray, and that's a good woman and all them something there, whatever, and thing, you know. I just say, you know, and again, you know, I'm not this, everybody believes in me and them money away. Me and a woman a juggle and she can't come do it, she like it all in my face and whatever, because me run away for true. Right. You understand? But me I say, this whole thing what we have, and you know, because I look at thing when really current people and the man them a burn out the man. I idiot man that time. And you know, so the man them who are burn him. That's why I tell you, you want to know what people afraid of? Anything where you see people, enough people afraid, you know. I eat them use as a weapon, you know. I eat them use as their primary weapon. That man there, we not call a name, right? But that man there, such man, you notice how him love make up name for people, right? Him love make up nickname for people, don't you know? Him love insult people and make up nickname for people. You know that, right? You notice that, right? Right. You realize any little thing anybody say, whatever, him can't let it go. Him have to jump on it. You know? Him have to sue feet. Yeah, him have a Sophie, and now I run like a joke or whatever. Him come out and him cuss and him galang bad and whatever, this and that and whatever. You notice then something that with all of the power where him have. With all of the power where him have and whatever. You see somebody like that? Woman know if you use them man there and run them in. As much as you see them going like them big and strong and wicked and terrible and whatever, and think of them a press button. That's what I say. The thing where them fear the most, I eat them use as them primary weapon. Right? Because them can't deal with that something there. And I saw them end up overcompensate. You ever notice listen to me, I'm gonna say something and watch out everybody in the watch how much people in the chat. I'm gonna say, why that are true. You see the biggest, most evil liar them? And them are the one thing I can't stand is a person who lie. You know, once you start lying, I'm done. It's true. And them are the biggest dirty wicked liar them, you know, when them lie not justify for them lie and whatever with them self-righteous self and them evil self and all them something there, you know. And them are the loud. One thing I can't take is a liar. The very thing what them do 24/7 to others. Thief no likes a thief with long bags, eat them. You understand? Yeah. That's why sometimes if you just drop back and make them talk, man. You know. Yeah, sometimes if you just make people, let me tell you something. You see me there on a quiet person, me not do too well. A person who not move, who quiet and hold on thing, me not do too well with them people. It's the people who talk and act and move and express themselves. I love that. Yeah. Because we can read them. Exactly. Right? Every human being, no matter how good them is, they must necessarily be patterned in some way. True. Unavoidably so. You can't be 24/7 random and abstract all the time, like, you know, just inconsistent in everything we do. Every human being must necessarily be patterned in some way. It's just to be patient with who you're there on and be careful. Don't just watch what them say, watch what them do, right? And if you watch what them say, listen what them say in the literal and then figure out what the literal means symbolically or representationally, right? And you like woman talk in a way when them say one thing, but they mean something type of thing. Huh? But for you pay attention, man, you see the pattern them, man, and you can, you know, and just know if it's something you want to deal with or if you don't want to deal with it, you know? True, very true. But I wish you all the best in your present objective. And I just want you to know one of my pride and joy over decades is it's a big deal for me. People hear me say this all the time. Is the friendships that are made in TamFam. I absolutely love that when people meet incredible friends, and whether it's like, you know, whether it's a relationship or just friends, you know. Say you have people coming at TamFam And they make incredible friendship to end up turning against me. And the only reason why they meet, was because I'm in a TamFam, and the TamFam energy, TamFam vibe and whatever. And them end up against me and end up come attack me with them bond and them thing, for petty foolishness and them something. But me say outside of that, even though me ain't nothing with them, me just look on them and say, watch them and thing and whatever, and them thing, them entitled to this and ray. And if me did stay like them, one of the things me could have said is like, listen, this thing I want to value so much on a friendship or on a bond or whatever, I facilitated that. But me not stay so, so me not going to do them something and think say me entitled to something from that and whatever. But even when my enemies then come for me, and them them come out of TamFam and then build them friendship and thing, but just feel good and say, look at that. They have increased their purpose in their life, and their lives have been enriched in some way by the association that they have engendered between themselves on account of their affiliation with what I do here. I still feel good for them. I still feel good for them because I say, yo, the thing I want me to do right here, so people that benefit from it. So in your pursuit of the person that for whom you hold some sort of appreciation, I just want to wish you best, my brother. Wish you all the best, my brother. And I hope things work out, okay?
Yeah, man. Enough respect and love to you, brother.
All right, my general.
All right?
Yeah.
Blessings to the TamFam.
Yes, yeah.
All right, cool.
And if me and Dr. Matt there, she born me, you must still be friends with her, yeah?
Well, man, I feel that name not happen. As bad as that was, that would never happen.
When not gonna happen? What you mean? Dr. Matt not gonna born me?
Nah, go born you, man.
What you mean not gonna born?
No, man, what I'm to you. A good man that, man. You can't look past and say a good man that, man.
Well, I know. Me nah say she I go do it and she not go do it, But take it from the whole man. I swear for nobody, yeah?
No, me not swear for nobody, but me I think positively.
Right. What?
Me I think positively,
Yeah, I think positive.
Yeah.
You know see her dash it out on Craigton?
No, sir.
Okay.
All right.
And you know if you have facts that she wouldn't sit down on your forehead.
No, not at all.
She not sit down on your forehead now.
No, sir.
You don't think she that come over your house like slick like a handicapped chicken?
No.
Oh. Just a question. All right, then, my brother. All right.
Straight up protection, Raga.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
But hold on, we are going to have out order tomorrow for subscribers when most of them are subscribers. All I want to own in a TamFam, who I made TamFam, based on the fact that you're over here on TikTok, you're super fan or subscriber, and because of that, you're a TamFam, a premium member, or you're a member of TamFam TV on YouTube, and over Big Yard, that made you a TamFam premium member. But that was up at the end of January. And then if we go through all of them, then I want to change them tomorrow. How am I going to do that? I don't know. Well, if we do out order tomorrow, then we have to figure out a way if we just open it up to everybody for now, just for tomorrow, and then just have make an adjustment and thing as we go for further, So I guess I have to come on first and then say we'll go over and then open it up and thing like that, right? And I just want to remind you people, Out Order is very saucy. It's not only is it about sex, it's a sex entertainment talk show. And it is what we Jamaicans call, I don't think it is, I'm just telling you the term that people who have problems with it would refer to it as. They would say it's vulgar, they would say it's raw, They would say some people would say it's disgusting. Some people would say whatever. But the way this structured now, you're not going to have it here. Right? So I will come here and just say, okay, come, boom, 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 boom. We're going over to outerorder.com. Outerorder.com, okay? So it is set up in such a way. And again, people, it's going to be grown people talking about sex and laughing about it. Okay, Raga have to laugh. But come like Cookie. You see, Cookie laugh everything, never laugh everything. Right? So it's grown people talking about sex. And grown people can't talk about sex. And grown people who talk about sex on this platform, they appreciate it. Because there's next to nothing like that out there, with like a sensible, mature people talking about sex, laughing about it and learning and things like that. So that's what it is, which means it's not for everybody, because based on the condition of many of you, you cannot talk about sex. And even if you talk about sex, you have to do so with extremely sanitized terms for it to be digestible and at least you can listen to it. So somehow on don't want to listen about a conversation on here FUCK, COCKY, PUSSY, and them something that those words mashing up and thing, because many of you are prudish, many of you are conservative, many of you are just innocent, dainty little angels who have not been corrupted in any way, with matters associated with sex. We understand that. So again, I am well aware it's not for everybody because not everybody likes it. But the way it is set up now is it is separate from this program, where we keep things circumspect as, in what we're doing right now. But again, I just want people to know, for this show tomorrow, it's raw, like totally raw. For those of you who don't know what it is. And if you can't manage it, that's fine. Don't come over there. But again, if you come over there, you can come over there and sit in the silence and quiet of your own space and listen. All right? And I guarantee you, there's never a show where you don't learn something in an outer order. There's all outer order show, people always learn something, even myself, And then we'll be taking calls, right? And what's good about how we're going to do it now is when we do outer order, no TikTok involved, just calls. So nobody TikTok thing now come up for you say who you are and for people say who you are and them something. The old school way, just calls. All right? So just want to, Craig Dan says CBS not learn nothing. Everybody else learned something, but CBS not learn nothing. I beg to differ, because even though it wasn't in an outer order, Craig Dan, CBS learned how to open the portal. And since she learned how to open the portal, she has been opening the portal ever since. Never stop opening the portal. How am I about CBS? Tell him no, you not stop opening the portal, no. Yeah. A CBS a portal for open now, what happened to them? No. Watch your ride, man. Okay. And then you see, I don't TikTok. I don't know. TikTok. Outer starts at 7 p.m. here, not 6, 7 p.m. Hello, good night.
Good night, Raga. Good night to the entire platform. How you guys doing?
Yes, say good night, TamFamers.
Good night, TamFamers.
TamFamers. TamFamers.
All right, okay, but just good night. How you doing? What you want to talk to me about now?
No, man, it's a TamFam, so we call them TamFamers, but it's Tambourine Family, and the short for it, the abbreviated name for it is TamFam, Tambourine Family. And if you're a member of the Tambourine Family, you're a TamFamer. So people over here,
all right,
TamFam.
blessings to the Tam family.
And
yes,
make you know what go on. Nice to hear your voice again, Kay. What go on with you? Yeah.
I good, I good, man.
See. Yeah, what are the main differences you notice between people from Montserrat and people from Jamaica?
The only different, I mean, the dialect kind of different. You call it patwa, but it's in many forms basically the same thing.
Okay.
Because, like when you go tell somebody, I won't say the most big word, but when you go tell somebody, boy, all your blood, you know, the rest of that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just say, boy, move from there.
Oh, okay. So you don't have the four cloths that we use, right?
What we do use the cloth. We do use the cloth. We do use it. We say, boy, move your bomber cloth from here.
So
Go
we
away from here.
not a bomber cloth over in Montserrat?
Oh
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought that was exclusively Jamaica.
yeah. No. They use that word. They use that. You know. They use
No, hold
that
on.
all
Do they
the time.
use it like, okay, we're just a few people using it because
A few
Jamaicans
people-
use it, or
Yeah,
is
yeah.
it that, or is it a Montserrat cultural thing
Let
where
me tell
pretty
you
much
something.
what?
Before it was not a Montserrat culture, but what happened? You have a lot of Jamaicans living in Montserrat now.
Oh.
So everybody started getting adjusted to the same twang and stuff like that.
So the Jamaicans brought bomber cloth over there, and the Montserrat, so they're people from Montserrat who have adopted it, right?
Yeah. But you used to hear that word. I used to hear that word all the time. But growing up in a kind of background that I did as a child, you wasn't supposed to use them kind of languages there. You know what I mean? But it was used, you know? But I was just kind of listening to the last guy you had on there. And I'm a Scorpion too.
Jesus, Lord have mercy. Do you want me to pray for you? Do you want me to pray? Do you need help?
Let me
Okay.
tell you something. I was so feeling this guy. Let me tell you something. I believe in forgiveness. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But Scorpions, we love hard. And this is our biggest problem. I think that we love unconditionally, that I think that we trust people too much. And there is a side about us that when we devote ourselves to people, we get disappointed. So when it come to like burning, I was feeling that guy. Because Mark, I had a situation when I was once married, right? And when we was in Montserrat, we were all good. Trust me. But Montserrat is a small island, and we came over here to the UK, and it's a different background where you get mix of Asians, you get white people, you get all sorts. And I would say, well, maybe he was not accustomed to that background, but we were married anyway. And then the first thing that I thought, like, yeah, man, this man gonna shame me for some white girl. And but then again, we were married for like 14 years. And then my mom, my siblings, everybody say, forgive the man, he made a mistake. And believe you me, I really loved him. But what you think happened? I decided to forgive him. I didn't forget it, but it was more upsetting, and I thought to myself, why you gonna forgive him and you still being so upset about the same thing? When you forgive, you don't forget, yes, but if you really want to forgive to move on, you're supposed to get past that and work with it. You understand? Anyway, we did, and what you think happened? To me, like, it best I just had packed up, sell the house, and move on, because it happened again. So sometimes,
And was it with white women?
yes. And I think back, as you know, in Montserrat, okay, I don't think it's nothing to do with skin color, because people are people and their mindset is what it is. I believe it was a sense of weakness, because he was a good man. Believe you me, Raga? I asked for nothing, and we both work, and things was rolling really well. But I believe, and he was a handsome man, so, and then maybe he was inexperienced in that sense. So as a man, I'm not making excuses for him.
Right.
But I know that where we came from a very long way, and to see that this happened to me, and I forgave him, and we tried to move on, and then the same shit happened again, and I'm thinking from then, that point after I pack it up and we got divorced and all that, believe you me, I could count on my finger how many men I've been with. And I don't ever think that I found that kind of love for another man again. I slept with them and I tried to make a relationship work, but it never worked out. But today, I tell you what, I still thank God for these bad experiences.
Hold on. So of all the men you've been with, the one that you truly loved and had the greatest relationship with is the one who did born you.
Yeah.
But is there something is there some kind of lesson there?
Yes, it is.
What is it? What is it? What is the lesson?
Okay, so I'm not putting out this lesson for you and your audience. I'm putting out this lesson for myself. And I know that there are good men out there. I'm not going to say there is no good man out there, because good man is out there, but it's just that the world is more corrupt now than before. But I can say to all the ladies and men on your platform tonight, when you fall in love with somebody, or if you're in love with somebody, please leave room for disappointment. Because, brother, to me, the only man that could not ever disappoint is God himself. And I know that there's still loyal men out there, but I'm just saying that relationship is like the lottery, and only the lucky wins. And for me, the kind of woman that I am, as I just said, when I love somebody, I give the person my heart. I give the person my...
I mean, you explain. But I mean, all right. I'm finding some way to like just synopsize and tie up this. If you kind of attested, you kind of alluded to it just now. But if you were to go a little further with the advice you just gave, like, you know, being love all you want, but leave room for disappointment. You seem to be saying that is just a reality in life. Whatever the disappointment is, it might be severe, it might be light, but don't believe that because you're in love, that's supposed to be give you a smooth sailing ride through. No, life no works. So that is what you're saying. But before you go, if a young woman came to you and said, my man cheated on me, but this is the greatest man I've ever had. He's a wonderful, kind, generous, caring, compassionate man. He's just awesome and whatever, but he cheated on me. What should I do? I'm thinking of leaving. My options are to leave or to stay. What should I do? Like she said, this is a good man. She's 100% sure he's a good man, but the good man cheat on her. What should she do?
Okay. I would tell her it's not my decision to make.
Right.
I can only, because it would not be fair for me to tell her to leave him. And mind you again, I live long enough to see that men cheat and they regret doing what they did. It was a weak moment and the opportunity arose and they fell for it. And believe you me, I know that they regret. Even the moment was exciting, they regret doing it, because it's after then they really tell themselves, boy, look what I really did to this woman I have at home, who put her life down for me and anything I ask for. And the problem is when these men go around and playing games like this and they get sick, who do they come back to, Raga?
That's true. Them go back to them. Yeah.
It's sad. It's really sad. It's really sad. And people keep telling me, well, what are you going to do when you get older in life? I mean, you're going to stay by yourself? Look here. Being single is not a crime.
All right. Last question. I have a friend. She was in a situation where this man was trying to talk to her, okay? And the man a pressure her and a look her and a look her. She never do nothing with the man. All of a sudden, the woman start cuss her. And I said she a look her man and she never did a look the man. She never did a look the man at all. The man a look her. And then the woman no cuss her and a war her and say, and then the woman cuss her. So my friend just turned around and said she not bear the name and not play the game. So she go take him man. And when she take him man and thing and whatever, she said she give him the full 100, all of the style emotion. She's in the chat, she named Novelet, right? So Novelet go take him man and give the man all kind of style and whatever. The man became smitten and thing and whatever and end up a run down Novelet for her front and all. Did Novelet do anything wrong there?
No, she didn't.
Yeah, never do nothing.
Especially if Novelet do not have a man. Is
No,
Novelet
she never
single?
have no man. She never have no man. She's single when she take it.
Right. Okay. So let me tell you something now. Some women need to know their place. You understand? Let me tell you, I don't want nobody coming for me. If I have an issue with my man, or I believe that he out there cheating with Novelet or Mary or whoever, I shouldn't be going picking up beef with that woman.
Exactly.
I don't care. Providing that woman do not come and see me on the street and start cursing me. But I shouldn't go having no beef with the woman. It should be the man I supposed to take this up with.
Right.
And then when I take it up with him and he don't want to leave her, then I have a choice if I want to stay or I want to leave him.
Right. Understood.
So I don't believe, and many women, I know that they're hurt, but I don't believe in women going out there and cussing out. Don't shame yourself because nobody out there is better than you.
Right.
Nobody, don't lower your standard to another man's wife or his girlfriend or no, just don't start no beef first, especially you know that this man is sleeping with you.
Exactly. I did tell Novelet that in my humble opinion, I didn't think she'd do anything wrong. She did mention that she was especially enthusiastic in the delivery of her lovemaking to him, so much so that the man was convinced that he was in love and he met his partner and whatever and all that stuff and whatever and things like that. But I don't know what the motivation for her was there or whatever. But I did tell her, I said, Novelet, you never do nothing wrong and thing. And you know.
Yeah, and Mr. Raga, do you have a partner?
Me?
We feel like you are whom we talk you, yes.
Why you ask that?
I'm just only curious. If
Why
I'm
are
rude,
you
I'm
curious?
sorry.
No, you're not rude, but why you ask that question?
But
why are you curious? Usually people aren't. People don't ask me that question, but I'm curious. Why you ask that question? Why?
No, because I just wanted to know. It's just a general
No.
question.
There must be a reason. People usually, whatever people want to know, there's a reason for it. So what?
No, because
as close as you can get. As close as you can get.
You have your own platform, and you appear to be somebody who is not engaged to a commitment or a relationship like that. Your outward appearance shows that to me.
So that what? That me not have nobody?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Maybe I might be wrong.
But what you get from me is...
Don't play you bright with me, Don't play you bright.
So what you get from me is that me not have nobody? Where you get that from? Where you reach that?
No, I didn't say. I said your outward appearance.
Yeah, but what is that? What are the elements of that outward appearance? Like what
because I see. I'm a woman of the world, so I know. You understand? Yeah, I know.
What you know?
I know. I mean, something comes to mind when I see the outward appearance of somebody. I couldn't tell.
No, you're still generalizing, No, you're still generalizing, but you still don't tell me what are some of the things that I did make you be like, him outward appearance. What me do? You not give me no specifics yet,
No, I know because I see you come and I ask myself, well, like, if this man has a woman or wife or whatever, or maybe, okay, I'm not gonna go down there. then he won't be up at this time of night having a talk show. Somebody will be keeping his bed.
Hello? If I may respectfully submit, I don't think that is a good reason to say somebody don't have somebody, because you're perhaps not that familiar with social media, but people being up doing lives and whatever, there are millions of people doing that right now.
Is that so complicated that you can't answer me?
No. You're not listening to me. I'm saying you just gave me, I asked you for one specific thing, and you said, well, if this man up do live for hours and thing and whatever, and then him keep not nobody, kind of no woman then or whatever. And obviously you're not familiar with me enough to know what I've been doing for a career, or how long I've been doing this. But so you're fairly new to me, so that is why you're making those assumptions and things.
Okay.
And I've been doing this for decades, darling, decades, and I love this. And people are used to me doing shows for hours and whatever and thing. And so I've been doing this from in Jamaica and stuff like that and thing. Secondly, this is what I'm doing here right now. It's common now. They call them creators. It's an interesting name for
hobby?
them. Yeah, no. What I'm saying is hobby. Listen to me. You see, this what me are doing right now? There are millions of people. This is their career. They feed their family. This is who they define themselves. This is their career. It's a huge industry out there right now. Huge industry. So, and at any time you come on this app, there are thousands of people doing lives on TikTok and YouTube and things like that.
See that.
Right.
Yeah.
And if you had known me, you would know that it's not unusual for me to be doing this. That I've been doing it for a long time. And then, I had different shows, outside, all kind of show, radio, different radio stations, multiple radio stations in Jamaica. I've done broadcasts all over the world and so forth. So this is not unusual, and it's not indicative of a lack of a partner on my part, given that I'm doing this type of show, okay?
Yeah, do respect.
But that is not the reason why you want to know doing. You go around me, but you see, you know that laugh. That laugh is a giveaway, that little chuckle you do a while ago, you still not tell me why you want. Man, you still read. You see like how you say you're a reader of people and the outward appearance. So why you think me can't read too?
But Mr. Raga,
why you want to know if I'm single? Tell me, no man. Just tell me, man.
No, I'm just asking. I don't mean anything. I didn't mean to be rude. I mean,
no, you're not being rude. You're not being rude.
Yeah, respect for whatever status that you are.
You go around me doing. You go around me.
Me not go around you, man.
Yeah, man. Go around me, man. Yeah, go around me. But it's all right here.
What you say happening tomorrow night now? Friday night, weekend night turn up. Big people. Come for.
Yeah, but you have to go over to a site called outerorder.com.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, and I'm telling you from now, is big people argument here, like really raw. It's very raw here.
You think I'm a child or something?
No. I'm not saying you're a child. I'm just telling you.
You just want to know if
I just want you to know what you'd be getting into, because I've had experiences where I tell people about it, and then tutus them all the time. Them right, oh my God, I didn't know. Why didn't you tell me it was like this? I'm so raw. I can't do it or whatever. And them like, and then them start to say, yeah, you invited me, you tell me about it, but you never tell me what it is exactly. So I make sure I tell people.
I get that.
Yeah. No, but from my read of you can angle it, because I get the sense you've been around the block a few times, and you're quite capable of. Yes. Yeah, and my impression of you is that not only do you know a thing or two, but you'd be quite good at it.
I hear you, Mr. Raga.
Yes. Am I correct?
Present place. I'll be in there tomorrow.
You didn't answer the question. Am I correct?
You're 100% correct.
Oh, thank you, darling. And I love when you dip your voice. I love when you dip your voice when you're 100% correct.
You pass, man.
My pass, no?
Yeah.
All right, darling. All right, pull up. So we'd be you'd be in the party tomorrow, okay? All right?
All right. So
all right, blessing, darling. You take care.
All right, have a good night and good night, everybody.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool.
All right, bye-bye.
When you do these shows and somebody open a door, you have this thing where people feel like, so, the door open now, so if we run in and go on. We don't bother with it tonight here, because the show we just done right away. The show soon done anyway. So I just have one on from now. Because I know some people like her, Marcia good as, once I do a work, she feels that she have to run in her head, I'm been enough of that nothing. You understand? Right? So I just have one on from now. You run in, you gotta get pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper to your thing too. Don't ramp with the thing, all right? That's right. All right, I got that thing. You two people big up on yourself, All right? Fritz, I see you. Johnny be good. Two let's start now. Why you afraid for chat?
No, good night.
Good night.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
One.
February.
Raga, me miss you no.
I lie. Go on.
Yeah, no, I say me there take you in from the other day, but I say no, me just call
You're
in and
busy,
say me
man.
good night.
Yeah, you're under the work and thing. Right, like real work,
No, the work first I got start. I just some course thing me da do and me finish up So me have time now, and night time as me come in, I tell her say, look about the little one and house and food and this and that. Knock Ragal 8 o'clock my gone to bed. Blows and curse.
I can imagine.
Sometimes I up late and beat the book and thing, but everything better man.
You see,
enjoy the pool.
Give thanks.
I know why me never have no time for the program most time, and my brother keep me up to date. Big up to my brother, I'm not calling me up. When I stop send me clips and tell me about Raga this and Raga that and Raga everything, my mother have to say, but wait, are you too? Raga take you too.
Well, your brother lucky, don't. Big up your brother.
Raga hear me, but wait. So me not no time for Raga, my brother there keep me up to date so till my mother have to say, all you too? Raga got you locked too?
No man, one day man, I juggle man and people there.
Yeah man, him not stop send me clip Raga said this one, Raga say, when time people are get joke, him just laugh sometime, but him don't even mean it. If he joke no funny, him just laugh. Like, but then what's the you in a Raga? Be know me, I got 2 years, but
Wala, him a listen and a laugh now too though.
Raga, me say, him phone ever tap up, him ever listen.
Yeah.
I never know. This man send me some clip and tell me some joke. I mean, they are like, me thought for Raga, him they are catch up, and me never know so this man a part of Raga. Me say, I see it do.
So it go, man. I saw it go. People come
and my man, they're funny, because every little thing touches and touch them and things. So me surprised if you know say I listen to Raga. Yeah, if I tell me about Raga this and Raga that.
Yeah, well, it going and then the thing with TikTok now, you can't stay outside that fence and listen what go on,
A Facebook him listen to your part.
Well,
and a Facebook him listen, because when time you put over your the whole program for the night and thing.
Well, that's on a Facebook, that's a YouTube.
No, you put it on Facebook too.
No, clips.
Oh, the clips them, the YouTube. Yeah.
But the shows are at TamFam TV over YouTube.
Yes.
But the clips are put on Facebook.
The clips on Facebook, yes.
Yeah, the clips.
Yeah, man. I go and do your thing and big up everyone.
All right, I'm
back in the building.
All right, last question. You wash your foot then before you go to bed at night,
Not all the time, Raga. I'm not gonna be biased. I'm gonna talk the truth. Not all the time, but most of
So
the
sometimes
time.
you go bed with dirty foot?
My foot never dirty it, cause me love wear socks. And me always a wear slippers in my house. Indoor slippers. But sometimes I go to bed and I don't take a shower. And there are nights that I shower 2-3 times for the day. So don't come at me.
But sometimes you shower 2-3 times for the day, and sometimes you just give them a
One
day.
day. One in the morning and done.
So sometimes you go bed with like a super clean front, and the next time you go there with frownsy front.
Sometimes I go to bed with an extra super sweetie, like I'm me and 10 people are sleeping at the bed. Me sweet up, powder up, lotion up, baby oil down, everything. And one next night me just drop off and just all me can do a strip in a panty and brassiere and knock out.
And go to bed with frownsy front.
Well, in a frownsy, but it still wash for a day. And I like some people when I bed for days.
In a frownsy, but as we say in the Caribbean, it can't touch like a bit, no?
Raga, we don't deal with touch.
Well, you know, it's a Jamaican that sample.
Oh. But you come remind me how much we are sample.
No, but if somebody hear Jamaican that talk and I say, it's spoiled, and they be like, no, but it touch.
Hey,
yeah, but it touch, you know.
Exactly.
You know, it touch. It
We know what I mean, you know, fresh, but you know, frownsy.
You know, 100, you know,
but
100. You know,
but you can't go on.
But you just have a little tinge where you can look work with, you know.
I mean, I tell you, we are the best. We are the best nation, and nah, line because we come from Jamaica, but we are the best, man. We talk some backway talk. But Raga, if you say fresh, but touch, then no back way talk that.
No, talk for yourself or whatever.
People always say me talk back way because me not clarify. It's either yes or no. What me mean, me I deny it not fresh, but touch.
No, but that is not back way.
Over here, then tell me say a back way talk that.
No, it might be a tad bit confusingly convoluted, but certainly.
They say back way can confuse it.
No, but no, back way. No, but what we a lot of people don't know like some of the stuff when them say like back way, what you call back way. We put H's where they're not supposed to be. We take them off with some people boom boom boom. We traffic a lot in redundancy, but redundancy, for example, when we are translating in English and you hear the redundancy, but the redundancy it come from it have its root in a tradition from West Africa, you know, because redundancy is basically using words that you don't need to use because you already mentioned it. Right?
That's true. Yeah.
But what I'm saying is that is how we, for example, we establish a higher amount or if a product is stronger in intensity.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We do that, you know, like we say, you know, Jamaican would say, so what you do? You wear like a nice shirt or you wear your good shirt? You wear a good yeah, wear a good shirt or you wear your good shirt. Somebody wanna understand me. Somebody wanna understand me and I'll be like, so what's the difference between good and good? Why them have to say good twice and whatever? And you know, them wouldn't know.
But we know what we mean.
We know what we mean.
Good, we mean we dress up, well dress up, top of the class, dress clothes.
Right.
But when they say with good clothes that the medium wear them where you can't just go on and go to a road. But we have a dress clothes now, like if we are go further now or we are go out of town. So we know what we mean, but them don't confuse.
Yeah, but it's again, it's degree and whatever and thing. I mean, there's some things we do with redundancy, like, but Jamaicans are notorious for saying, so reverse back, no, reverse back.
I tell somebody that yesterday. You cannot, you can't reverse back. I said somebody yesterday.
You know, if you reverse,
somebody.
if you
Either
reverse, you're
reverse,
already
but not
going
reverse
back.
back.
But you can't say drive back or reverse. But you
Yeah,
just say
or
reverse
reverse,
back.
or come
That
back.
is redundant, you know.
or go back.
But again, what I'm saying is we just increase stuff for emphasis or we add something, you know, to pluralize. Like, you know, in a patois, we in English it's mangoes. It's mango and mangoes. For we, it's mango and the mango them.
Mango them.
Right. That is our plural. So somebody will say mango and them. What do you mean, mango and
Mango them
them?
more than one.
Yeah, but it's more than one. So then, if I'm more than one,
the
no must
mango them
them.
come give me.
No, the mango them. Yeah, the
Raga.
shirt them, the
Raga,
mango
me beg
them,
you.
the apple
Yeah,
them,
example. To them,
the people them. You know.
Today I'm a workplace, you know, and this is because I spend time with so much Jamaican. And I was in the office today and I was talking to an ex-Caribbean person.
Wait, hold that, don't lose that. See, Peter Gay said, pleasant good morning is another one. Pleasant and good, that's redundant, you know?
Yes.
If the morning is good, it's likely to be pleasant.
Redundant, yes.
And certainly if it's pleasant, it's already good.
Why you never say pleasant? Pleasant morning.
Pleasant morning.
Just say pleasant good morning.
That not gonna sound good if we say pleasant morning, you know. That is English bullshit. But if we say pleasant good morning.
Pleasant morning to you.
Which is formal English, but it's still with that element of redundancy in it.
Yeah.
But anyway, go back to what you were saying about your friend.
So I was talking to a classmate that we meet up at the office, and she's a Trinidadian.
Yeah.
And actually I was speaking to her in Patois because for some reason they understand me too.
Yeah.
So immediately the director, I was a good distance from the director, and she heard me and she said, "You speak Creole?" I catch up on myself immediately, Raga. I was so surprised because I wasn't speaking to her, I was speaking to the other person who is from Trinidad that understand me very well. So, you know, I not speak his spoken. I just talk my regular Jamaican. She understand me and everything. So I was speaking to her in Jamaican language and she bust out, "You speak Creole?" I frightened, I shame, I shock everything in a one.
Yeah, but that's just her way of saying if you speak Patois, because that's that them call Creole. Yeah.
I didn't even bother. I didn't prolong the conversation because I don't know how she know about Creole actually. Say, like, I was gonna say, yeah, we're Jamaican, we speak Creole, but I didn't even prolong the argument or anything. But I was shocked. I'm like, everywhere we go, we carry our language with we, and it's hard to break out that. I've been here 13 years and I'm deep in it. Deep in it. I was shocked when she said, "You speak Creole."
But why were you ashamed?
No, she blasted out and I was never near her. But then I was addressing her before, so she thought I was talking to her. But I don't know. I actually don't know where she's from. She's Spanish. I don't know if she's a born
So basically what she was saying that you were speaking standard English all along and she never knew.
Yes, and she never hear me speak Patois, and I was speaking it to the Trinidadian.
No, but just so you know, a lot of Caribbean people get that, you know. A lot of Jamaicans would tell you, a lot of they know people and they speak in whatever. And some of them bright enough, you know what they come up and they say to us?
What?
You don't sound like you come from the Caribbean. You don't talk like you come from the Caribbean. Them always do that and thing.
I mean, me sometime in a Raga, but that's why when I'm around my people that understand, I speak it.
Yeah, they do that all the time. You don't sound like their thing is you only speak one way, you know. And then if you go and say, "No man, a Jamaican come from," they'll be like, "Oh yeah, you are Jamaican." But you see the ignorance there though. You can't be Jamaican if you're not speaking Patois.
And that pisses me off so much.
It is an awkward stereotype.
Who I look like and sound like. Like, serious?
In truth, when they do that, it's actually dumb, but they don't know that it's dumb. So I don't encourage it and thing, but I don't beat them either, you know, because them don't know what them would do.
Yeah,
I was just telling people a situation when I was dating somebody from Spain, and when I went and I met her family in Madrid, and thing, there was this big powwow, and the conclusion was he's a fraud. He's not Jamaican because he doesn't have dreadlocks. You know, them say kind of have dreadlocks and whatever. And for me,
Why
it was
they
like
always think everybody from Jamaica smoke, cause bumbo
smoke
clad,
weed
and
or
do all them
dreadlocks
something,
or
yeah?
whatever and thing like that. And
As
but
they meet you,
yeah,
they tell
people
them cause to what your people say, how you say bumbo? Me have to chip all two make them hear. They laugh.
they see it there.
That's what they take us for. The smoking, the dreadlocks, and the bumbo clad.
No, if it's fun, I was in Thailand and I was on a boat and this was a calm thing, and we just have everybody across Bomber Clat there, whatever, and it was fun. So for stuff like that's cool. But if you come up and you do that, look, you Jamaican, say Bomber Clat. No, I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it.
Yes, Raga, me always resent.
No, me not do that something.
It sounds dumb, just somebody telling you to say it.
Yeah, I mean, I know you look a press button, you know, so if you come, and, you know, can relate to me like that.
But Raga, me like, when you teach them when they go Thailand, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling you.
Me tell us Raga that clip that is bad.
Yeah. And then what happened, you know, because, you know, we know the little boat and thing. And then you have all these other people from all these. Me and them, we over in one cave, Bomber Clat. I'm like, yeah, Bomber Clat, or whatever. It was fun.
Raga, me not lie. You have to go repost that clip, that clip, they bad. Me not. You put it in the group, but you have to go put it out there like that because me and Dr. Mac and Daniel and all of us, we were saying, here, Raga by Raga done, the whole country know Bumbo Clad.
No, you know what is funny? No, you know what is funny?
Yes.
And about by Raga done, you know, whatever you may say about ghetto and thing, you know, when you travel the world, you know, is the thing where it leads to Jamaicans ridicule Jamaicans who they think below them, from lower class. The thing where them condemn and them denounce and put down and them think is vulgar, whatever. Outside of Jamaica, you know, that is what the people them love and they're attracted to and think it's beautiful and whatever. I understand, you know, right? But you know, I love Jamaican for, you speak standard English.
No.
They want what is uniquely indigenous to Jamaica, you know, and it makes sense, you know.
You know, it differentiates us a lot because a lot of people like to hear us. And as I just speak, that something happened to me yesterday on the bus. I was on the bus yesterday and the bus was packed. When I say packed, I mean packed, and this lady was passing, but actually me and her were getting off at the same stop and she passed before we reached the stop. So I had braced on somebody that was sitting in front of me for her to pass. This ugly dirty man pushed me with him hand. Take him and back and ease me off. Raga the patwa come out. Me say, man, where you push me for? Me say, nobody want to touch you. Yes, the whole bus turn around and look for me. Raga, me say, I blast him, you see? One girl lay down in the lap and she get up and she look. I say, when I come look for me, for I go on like so nobody want to touch you. No. Raga give him the patter when I done with him. Him could have said nothing more to me. Everybody in the bus look for me.
All right.
It's the sweetest thing, man. Jamaican get out pan them, man. You hear the patwa chip.
See it there. All right. You look a girl.
Yeah, man.
All right. Big up yourself here. Big up yourself, man.
Respect. Everyone love you guys. I'm back, okay?
All right, then.
Yeah, cool.
All right, then, Tracy, cool.
Mommy, I love it.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I know the bad word she love. Let me see what. Oh, Missy Bram still over YouTube. Missy, big up yourself. See one Fritz there. Mr. G in the building. I represent for Canada. Why, Mr. G, me say, it's a good thing you forward, you know, because the people in there, the whole time, Mr. G, be bad things them over here say about Canada, you know. I feel like defend Canada more while. Yeah, Mr. G, I feel defend Canada all a while and thing and whatever, but I one of them things there, yeah, my G. You understand? I just want you know, you know. So we there hold it for the Canada, you know, just like how my Carney and hold it and thing, you know. So I know it's a Raga hold it for Canada. You see? All right. What? Seriously, Tina 43? Like, what? What do you mean? Eh? Eh? Why Cookie Man just will post a line like that? Pop don't sort out. What's that supposed to mean? Shanette, what on? Yo, people, man, I let go here now. Let me see if Shiny Pepper. Yo, if you have not registered yet for TamFam, you ought to do so, man. Good evening. Hello. 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 So if you're not registered yet for Big Yard, just register now, tamfamyard.com. Go over tamfamyard.com. Remember, you have to register in order to participate in the activities over there. Hello.
Hi, good evening.
And a good evening at you. What's up?
Hi, I just wanted to share my an experience I had. Earlier you had oh, hello TamFamers and fellow Scorpio here. Hi Scorpios.
Say
an
what?
experience I
Say what? Okay. Your voice sound deceptively like sedate and conservative and whatever. For your Scorpio, we know silent river run deep. All
Very
right, go on
deep.
to the chop. All right, then cool. Yeah.
But I wanted to share an experience that I had many years ago.
Yeah.
You had the discussion earlier about the gentleman that regarding his wife cheating on him twice and all that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I had met this guy, and we went out on a date. It was the first and only date.
Mm-hmm.
I usually want to know why you're looking or why you want to, what are you looking for? What happened before?
Mm-hmm.
His explanation, because he was an older gentleman, he had said, he was in a long-term relationship, and engaged in all that, but he had a medical condition.
Mm-hmm.
So his condition was that I think he was either diabetic or something, but he couldn't get it up.
Mm-hmm.
And he said he had that condition since he was like late teens, going into his 20s. So
wow.
Jamaican. And so he said when he came to the US, he was getting, he started getting help and better understanding of, what he's dealing with and all that. But he did have an issue getting there, and then it's just not happening for him.
Right.
So when he met the previous person that he was with, she was understanding, he said, and she was a wonderful person, and they found ways, in the bedroom to get things going.
Mm-hmm.
But he said, like, there was something with him being okay with her getting herself off elsewhere. But the only condition was that it shouldn't be emotional. And I agreed with it. I understood what he meant, because there's a difference with just, getting your kicks and then you're emotionally involved with the person.
Right, there is a difference. Yeah, right.
So he said he know that it was happening for whatever, how long, and eventually she met this one person. I guess it was different for her. So now her emotions were involved. And then he said he couldn't stay with her. He understood everything else.
So they had an agreement that she could go and do it with other people. Yeah.
Apparently.
And in this case,
she fell for somebody.
She fell for somebody. But when the do it was to that on occasion she could go and experience having that inside of her. Was it that specific?
That's it. Just to experience he didn't want that being built up there because he could never enter. You know,
So she
he couldn't-
can't go and take body then.
Yeah.
Right, but she can't have any emotional
No
connection.
emotional connections.
But why
And
she was allowed to do that then? She catch feelings.
exactly. It was a one particular person. He said like she couldn't get rid of or out of her head, and it was the conversations and him walking into a room and she's quickly hanging up the phone. So he said no, something was going on.
Oh.
So he said, and I agree with him. I agreed with him when he said the emotion part of it, and that's the thing. The lady that was speaking, I think her name was Kay.
Mm-hmm.
There's a thing where, from a Scorpio's point of view, if you come to me and you tell me directly what you're working with, tell me who you are. Don't let me find out later on. Tell me exactly who you are.
Right.
If you say, okay, I'm with so and so, 10 people over here, and I like you, let me decide if I want to be a part of that.
It's your choice. But just make you know what you're working with, and then you would, right.
Exactly. And so that's why I asked that gentleman, exactly what was going on with him. And he was very nice, and he's somebody that would take care of you.
Right.
But why did we didn't work out because of distance? It wasn't anything else.
Oh, okay.
Right. That was just this distance.
Okay.
Yeah. But as far as emotional, there's a difference with emotional cheating and just physical. And I think men are physical, women are more emotional.
In general, yes.
So that's what I think it is. So if the gentleman that you were speaking of before, it was something where he didn't discuss, I guess, what his issue was, why he was okay with going back to that person after finding out that she stepped out twice.
Right. And to be honest with you, I don't really even know who that person was. The issue came up with the person I was talking to who had a problem with him and saying that should I let her go or whatever. And I was basically saying, nah, this is a perfect situation for it depends,
Yeah, exactly.
But he was saying that there can be no it depends here or whatever, and I know what they're getting at. And you see it out there on social media, like, oh, women are different, and once a woman cheats on you, the reasons are so different from when men cheat. Kind of similar to the narrative you just presented and things. So I get it. But all I was just saying to him is like, I'm not going to say the man is automatically an idiot. I don't know why he chose to stay. They can't. But their thing is like, him and a man, there can be no viable reason why you get too heavy bone under you and you stay. And probably they're right in that. There are people out there who argue like, listen, if a woman born you and you take her back, she's not gonna ever respect you fully again. Type of thing.
Not necessarily.
I don't think that's not. I've known people where the woman cheat and they got
Since
back
the beginning
together
of time,
and they're doing great in relationships. So.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, I remember having a neighbor where every Saturday. Saturday is usually my market day and, cleaning and whatever. Every Saturday, her husband would go to his job, whatever he did. And you'd have a group of ladies that would visit the wife. The kids would be at, but the visit wasn't just a visit.
Right.
They were all together.
Yeah.
So she might not have had a man coming over, but she had females that she had visiting her.
Right.
So it's like people are people. There's no one standard to one sex.
Right.
So no matter what it is, as long as people, I think, are upfront.
Yeah.
And you're able to accept or forgive or let people be, I think we'll be fine.
When I used to live in Augustown, there was this man who was with a prostitute, and he was like a house dad, and she went out in the night and she did her prostituting, and she
it was work.
came up. And they were together for years.
It was work.
And then, you know, some of the man them are like, yo, I idiot man that and whatever and thing like that.
No.
And apparently, and never really talked to her, but apparently her argument is, I feel absolutely nothing for those men. It's work and
It's work.
it's an exchange.
Mhm.
And this is the man that I'm with and whatever. But you see, the problem with that is that so many people out there in general, we're conditioned to be sex determinative, you know, where it's sex, sex determined the critical elements of the relationship. And thing,
No.
and I'm one of those
I think it
people.
brings you closer to
It
your
brings you
partner.
closer, and it can be a beautiful, intimacy and all that stuff and whatever. But I happen to think that there are just a lot more important elements to a good relationship than
Yeah,
the
definitely.
sex. And I'm not saying that I want to be with somebody who's just going to throw herself all over, whatever.
Oh.
I'm just saying that the people who are so locked into that, I'm not so sure they're thinking about it thoroughly, But that's just my
true.
opinion. We have a difference in opinion right there. But I do get what you're saying though, is when people hide and this and that, I find it's so much easier to just, like you said, just say, listen, this is a situation. Boom,
This
boom,
is
boom,
it.
boom, boom. Yeah, I'm
And this
like
is
you.
who I am.
I'm
And
still
yeah,
like you, but
exactly.
I'm not gonna lie, it's all the thing set, yeah. But
Exactly. And
I
let
want you
you
juggle with
decide.
it and work with it. Now, she now must decide if she like it that much or what she gonna get out of it or whatever the case may be. And then
Exactly.
if she want to work with it, she work with it for however
Exactly.
long. That is easier, in my opinion. If you're in a
Yeah.
gym screech and a hide or whatever and thing, you're just upfront and open and thing, and the person at some point they might go read you to and say, all right, him tell me what's up, but is he into me? Does him like me? Feel me like that or whatever. And then they will
That's
know.
true.
They're not going to know, So I find that it's easier than fair lie and whatever. But, to each his own, to each her own and so forth.
Very much so.
Yeah.
And a question for you.
Yeah.
Would you be okay with your wife, your girlfriend, whatever, your partner, taking you to like a strip club or adult entertainment place or something only for your enjoyment?
Only if she wanted, only for my...
No, yeah, for you to enjoy it, not for her to, yeah.
Not only I'd be okay with it, I've done it that has happened to me many times.
Okay,
back in the day,
back in the day, but so there's so many people that are still so, oh no, I've never. And it's just a question I had to ask because I'm still hearing people go, no, it's like what you want to say, something that is so...
Yeah, they think there's something so immoral or disrespectful about that, and don't rub butter, puss mouth, and all kind of stuff, whatever, and them something there. But I've dated women and be like, come, I've dated women like we'd love go to go clubs. And I'm not.
Yes.
But I just we would sit there and we would critique the women and who can dance and who this and that and whatever, and we'll give them names and so forth and thing. We were in Jamaica, and she would buy a lap dance and come say, "No, you give me a wicked lap dance," and
I
thing
did
and whatever.
exactly.
Yeah,
I did that. And you know what's funny? I met this one girl that she was working, and we had a whole conversation while she was giving a lap dance. She was doing that to be funding her education to become a nurse.
There you go. No, a lot of them when they
and it was just business for her, and I respected her so much for the fact that I will never be the person to say, oh, don't do that, don't do this.
See it there.
Do what you have to do, because I'm not the one paying your bills. I'm not the one, in your shoe.
Yeah. I was dating
when you get
this
to a certain point, I'll just say,
Yeah. I was dating this lady in Jamaica, and there was this new go-go club opened up in New Kingston. It was called Platinum, and it was a big deal. And I didn't like what it was a big deal for, because it was a big deal because it had all these white Russian women in it. For those of you, people probably remember when Platinum did bust. So, and it was this, Jamaica's elite. who were going there and things like, you know, really accomplished, successful men who were going there. But my girlfriend brought me there. She said, you gotta go. So I'm going there. She's just like, okay, I want you to get a lap dance. I'm like, nah, I'm good. And she's like, no, I want you to get a lap dance. I want you to experience it, man. I said, no, I'm good. And she insists. But there was one Jamaican black girl in there, you know, that night, and about 7 or 8 white Russian girl. And respectfully, and whatever.
Yeah.
It just to see the Jamaican men, how them did a go on. When I tell you the woman them maga and no shape and sitting on there and cannot dance, can't dance at all, right? But and I sat there and I'm like, you know, I'm not against them, but this is just all about them being white type of thing. So, you know, when she said, okay, but we're trying to Mr. Migo with the black Jamaican. And then when we go around there, I'm going to tell her, I said, you don't have to dance. And she said, but your girlfriend paid me for. I said, no, man, we can't sit on a reason, man. I said, we will give you the money. And you know, we sat there and we talked. And at one point, I said to her, I know time is your money here. And I don't want you to be here talking with me and not making money. And she was just like, you know, I really appreciate you, whatever, because, and she was upfront. She said, I'm talking to you because I was paid to interact with you. And you say, you know, on a lap dance. I said, no, man, I mean PR.
Exactly.
And then my girl eventually said, I want to run as long as I do. Whatever, she came around. And you know, I said the child sit down there with us all a reason, and she tell her what she go through and them thing and whatever. I know things rough on her, and that's why she take the job. I know them discriminate against her as the only black woman there, and all kind of something and thing and whatever. And you know, so I'm not. You ever hear about Polyroyal in Jamaica?
I've heard of it.
Yeah, Polyroyal, and they did have one when you missed it. So I'm dealing with that thing, and it was a thing for just go clubs and whatever, man. It's fun, you know, but
it's fun.
Well, a lot of people are prudish and they grew up in this conservative, religious-based type of Jamaica type of thing, and
I
so
say
limiting to women, you know.
And you determine what you don't like, and if it's not for you, it's just not for you. But
Exactly.
don't be prudish and don't be, you know, judgmental. That's it.
Exactly.
And that's it. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Blessings, man. Respect, man.
Blessings.
All right? Yeah, man.
Good night,
Protection,
everyone.
man. Cool.
Okay.
One, Shirley Cunningham, what a way you know what Polyroyal, he say they on Ripon Road. Hey, Shirley. Yeah, Taboo did a go on. Taboo still a go on. Taboo is probably no the longest go-go club in Jamaica, you know, probably, you know. No, you have one over Montego Bay. What I want over Montego Bay name again? You have one over Montego Bay. Beer things going on in there, you know, man. Anybody know if Scrubber Dub still open? Everybody know if Scrubber Dub go-go club still open on Negril? Oh, man, I've hosted quite a few shows there, you know, man. Shades, that's a one. The Shades still about. That one been around for a while, you know. Strawberry say lockdown. Shades, is Shades still around? Moons in Mobile, Sir Jojo. Shades is still around? Okay, Shades has been I wonder if Shades has been around longer than Taboo. Anybody know if Shades has been around longer than Taboo? Yes or no? Moons. Tina say yes. Yeah, yeah, I think Shades has been around for a long time. New York's a Cancer and Savlamar. I don't know them one. I know the one in Kingston or whatever. I mean, it was just fun to go to those places. We are. Jamaica is a religious, just because it's a country of contradiction, you know. I mean, the people, Jamaicans are really into sex and being sexy. That's two different things, right? Jamaicans are really into sex and being sexual. And again, that's two different things. You have a lot of Jamaicans who are really into being sexual, but not into sex. But and at the same time, it's a very conservative side. You know, I tell you about the woman who at the top of Gold Street on East Queen Street, Gold Street perpendicular to East Queen Street. Or she bend over, draw down her drawers, hold her two cheeks, and whoop me them and tell the man to come labba juice out her BATTYHOLE. And thing to the point where we were like, hey, come on, what you do, man? Don't do that, man. Shame on you, man. And she like, man, against this, then come. And whatever, she go on, and she just didn't care. And that same woman walked down just a few yards to the gate of East Queen Street Baptist Church. And all she was two young people, a hug up and a kiss and a walk, and come down to the gate. And when I tell you she dab up a pit in them and talk about them now and respect them in a church, a kiss and what kind of slackness that. The same woman just skin out her bottom, you know, on the public street, you know, in front of everybody, you know. Whatever. That is Jamaica. It's a land of contradictions. And if you're a zero-sum thinker, you just want things to be one-dimensional for ease of comprehension and to facilitate you. Oh, I understand it because this is what you are. You're going to be confused because Jamaica is not like that. Jamaica is very fluid. Jamaicans are very fluid in their identity. So much so that them are just fluid. A Jamaican can be one thing 1 year with a person, easy, and a total different thing with somebody else. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. Right? You know, people like consistency across the board. You know, that's something that where you can just be like a raw band super freak with a person, but you just can't do it with somebody else. I don't know, try to get you, you know. Yeah, they call it code switching personalities, right? And Jamaicans have that fluidity. Now, they have all kind of scholarship that said that post-colonial societies, they tend to be like that because when you're in a colonial society, you have to have that duality. You have to be showing the slave master a massa, a particular face. You have to perform that face. Every day you get up, you have to perform that face. And then separate from that, you have to be something totally different, right? And then also, fancy term, they call it syncretic cultural societies. And all it means is that slaves were brought from, you know, their culture. So in terms of identity, that they just know how to be that. And they were brought in a strange land. And a different culture from Europe, in this case Spain and Britain, was imposed on them. We have the French Caribbean countries. So again, the argument to keep it simple and accessible for you right now is that, you know, Jamaicans and other post-colonial society, they're versed in duality and triality. They can play three different personalities and whatever. So much so, you know, that even when I was training in psychotherapy, they realized that they have to be careful who they diagnose with multiple personality disorders because they're looking at it as a mental disorder, when for some people that was a plus to have three different people inside of them naturally functioning, you know, fluid. And you can invoke that one a quick shut down, that one a quick tone, that one a tick and whatever. Caribbean people are like that. Jamaican women are like that. In my opinion, they're very good at like that. Very good like that, you know? Right? You know, a Jamaican woman, freaky, and every time they done freaky and then done next day, them a beg God forgiveness. And I swear, so then do it again. And then go right back, go do it again. How many I want to do that? Talk it through. Let me see if I want to do Let me see if I can tell the truth, so I want to do that and whatever. Don't. Yeah, enough I want to do it down. I think I can't believe him. Make me do them something there, you know, me not do it again. And you go right back, go do it down. And like it when you do it, and do it with pizzazz and enthusiasm. And throw yourself into it. Yeah. All right. Listen, as a man, me I go tell on this. Right? Me a man and me I tell on this. Me a boy we do road. Me a old man now, me can't tell on. And any man who know what me I talk about, gonna tell me if I true. And any woman, if you want answer, I say if I true, I true. If you want answer, you don't know nothing, go say I lie. The freakiest woman who go hard bad, who can't do the whatever this and that. When you see them, are the simplest looking, you gotta think them naive and them don't know nothing of the way them carry themselves. The freakiest woman when them go all in whatever. This is another thing that I find weird. The freakiest woman them out there, when I say freaky, like go all in with them freakiness, they are, when it comes to hygiene, the cleanest woman you can find. I swear to you. Like, oh, they just clean. They're just obsessed with being clean, right? And you would think that this is just diametrically opposed. Somebody who just, whenever I go all in with them freaky, we talk like sloppy freaky, like, God, some sitting where me can't even tell them, right? Once them come out of that space, it's like them transform. And like 24/7, they're like with digital precision. Them just clean. Them like clean freak and whatever. And them just like, they're really like, no, that's not good behavior. I would never do that. And, why is she behaving like But you don't ever know, say, I saw them stay, and them just have this simple thing about them. And them not have no need for show off or announce how them stay and whatever, And them women never love them. Whatever. But them have a look a simple thing with them. And when people are run up their mouth and a chat at them, say sit down quiet and listen. Yeah. Anytime people are going and I say them do this and whatever, them woman there, them just sit down quiet and listen. And you hear people out of them. But when Stewart come to bump, nobody never good like them. And them have skills from yes till eternity, but like yours. Turn up your thing, you have to dip in your reserve when you go where you juggle with them. When them carry themselves and ordinary, you don't never know. That transformation, that duality. And it's easy for them. They're just naturally like that. Them not fear pressure themselves and put on anything and whatever and and go on and whole heap of pressure like this. Them just turn it on when them want to turn it on and turn it off when them want to turn it off. And what them turn on and what the alternate spaces makes them one. They exist harmoniously. It's invoked. One is invoked when it is needed. The other is turned on. And it's easy for them. Yeah. Easy for them so much so that anybody ever know them and I say, no, sir, I can't believe you, so and so and so, and I can't believe you, and come over like that, and they have no need for brag and show off and tell nobody how them stay and whatever. Them just juggling and do them thing, balance and thing. I mean, I know if man know them woman there, right? But me I tell you, as I look, a man with it out there for a while and thing and whatever, I can't tell you, Yeah, them woman there, you see it. Essentially say no bag of chatting. No man, them woman, them man, people are going and run off them mouth and them just sit down quiet and you might get a little laugh out of them and whatever and thing. And you know what too? Some people will hear some subject and thing and then them you have some people that will fast and start ask what if a question. Them woman then ask them what if a question and push people for hear more and whatever, They're not like as I tell you, there's a pattern there. They'll listen. But them not feel no need for all the pressure woman to tell me what you do and this and thing. Let me have a look at girlfriend when them talk to about, we do so and so. Them have them look a party when them start, whatever. And then, me like for broke out them woman, they make them talk and them start talk out them never like it's a look up thing with me. But in general, even when them talk about certain things, it's just a natural thing for them like code it up and fix it up and them use stuff like down there or his thing. So them talk. But when them are going and them thing them whatever, you understand the term whatever, so you tell them tell them say sing the cocky and you're like no boom 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 and thing whatever but when the action a come, dangerous woman them I never know. I mean I tell you say you have that look of thing there. I'm sure they exist elsewhere. I'm just telling me know about Jamaican women and Caribbean women and things. and that duality, that almost like multiple personality, but it's not. It's just like a different hue, a different tinge for a different context, you know? Yeah. Cookie Man says, you think you're easy? The woman who will never say no. No. Never say no once them there with you. Yeah, Trumpy, you're right. Once are you, and think anytime you're ready, then ready. Anytime you're ready, then ready, you know? Anytime you're ready, then ready. Once are you know? I say, yeah, my man, you know? Or are you me a juggle with her? Are you me a do so with her? And think it's just like, yeah, boom, you know? Yeah, you know, that's something then. Anyway, so tomorrow, I go forward verse and then we'll go over outer order. And I remember now, it's going to be over outerorder.com. So I'm telling her from now, outerorder.com. I remember I spelled OUTAORDA, but we can't put the link in the chat. A TikTok. And TikTok algorithm, once you start put link and a mention somewhere else, TikTok trickle down your output. And TikTok not easy, you know, TikTok thing. TikTok say, we even make your money. Angie, you can't get in. All right, write me. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Let me see if anybody over YouTube. So folks over YouTube, do remember, so tomorrow night we have an altar that's only for you. Again, man, I have to do this. I don't mean to sound redundant and just like, you know, annoyingly repetitive. I'm just saying it altar lives is it's very adult, it's very raw. And again, we just notice some people would prefer not to listen to those type of things. So I don't want you to come and then I get the usual, a few emails like, I just want you to know that I heard you last night and I just couldn't listen anymore and I didn't know that you could behave like that and a man of your this and that and start going on my degrees and whatever and things. Like, I'm so over that right now, okay? So I'm just a warning, right, for those of you, because you always have new people coming in and then they come in and they form these impressions on me and things, right now. Right? So I just want you people to know it's very Missy, it's spelled OUTAORDA.com. OUTAORDA.com. I mean, if you're tomorrow, the site is going to look a little different, but if you go there, it's there right now, right? But that is where we'll have the adult shows, okay? Right? So again, I don't want, after the show tomorrow, I don't want to come in and hear me and go on with myself. And then it'll be like, I was just so turned off and whatever, I can't believe you're this and that, and you shouldn't be an this, please. Right? All right. Okay. I know I was talking to Missy Bram over YouTube. Okay. OUTAORDA. If you go there, the site is there right now, you know. All right. But you're going to have to log in. And even for free, you know, because I think tomorrow we're just going to, that show is going to be for subscribers only. But tomorrow we're going to just open it to everybody for tomorrow, okay? And yeah, I'm just going to open it for tomorrow. But you still have to be a member, like a free member. So if you're listening right now, you want to listen tomorrow, please just go over to tamfamyard.com and join. Just you see general free and join. If you want to subscribe, you subscribe. But if you see general free and join, it's free. Right? So you have to at least be a member of Big Yard which in the long run will be TamFam world, but I don't want to confuse you now, so don't worry yourself, okay? All right, I think that is it. Good night, Miss Legore. Good night, Missy Bram Bram. Satania, what's up? All right. Big up my YouTube people, man. It's good to be back. TikTok family. Now just for myself, and everything is everything, see? My God. 90. Blessings evoking, blessings. CBS, Tina, 43. Cheryl blessing the building. Tap. Always trigger my allergies, this thing. Alrighty.